Please click the thumbs up, like, and subscribe, and the bell notification. Thank you. Please click the thumbs up, like, and subscribe, and the bell notification. Thank you.
Yeah, I could shell down the thing in the night. Uber man, me soon come to you. Me see you. Don't move a muscle. Some people, me I come to you. Greetings.
Greetings, Raga. Big up 5, big up Clover Valley Road.
Yeah, big up 5F. Who this know about 5F and Clover Valley Road?
Your neighbor, I live beside Clover Valley Road.
Beside who?
No, I live at Blake Road.
Okay, all right. But me did live at Blake Road. So me just want to know who me I talk to.
Yes. No, maybe you not really remember me, no, Dana.
Okay, but Dana, you come from Blake Road or Clover Valley Road?
Believe my mother live at Blake Road.
Okay, but you come from Clover Valley Road?
No. My mother used to live there, so I know you when you used to farm 5F2. You know cocky very well.
Yeah, find them, friend them, fool them, F them and forget them. That was when I was young, people.
F them and, yeah.
That was when I was young. Was when I was young. I'm such a good boy right now. I'm a darling little munchkin right now. But back in the idea when we did that do road, you know. All right, man. Big up yourself, you know. Yeah.
Straight road.
Yeah. All right.
Yeah. I have a little saga to tell you.
Yeah, man. Send on.
One book, you know, but woman don't know me. Me know the woman. So one night, me guy me had to start out.
Yeah.
And when me get the sack, when me get the sack done, the door knock. So when the door knock, me frightened, me jump up.
Yeah.
When me jump up now, the underwear was on the ground.
Yeah.
And when I take up the underwear, I take up and I run through and I hide in a one bush. Me reach in the bush. And look, now the boy brief me a van.
So weird. So when him woman come in and beat down the door and him dead because you don't know say he did that, you know who him woman, you know ufa man you take. So when you grab what you think was your underwear and thing and fling on and run out in a bush and thing, you think your underwear you have on and a boy brief you have on?
Yes man, Raga, yes man.
Jesus, so what happened after that?
So at late night, you know, man, so me bend down. Now. So when me look, me see one car. That him a drive, you know, man. So I love the sort out to give me, you know, so let me in a pool, you know.
I don't.
Them come for me and drive home. You know, business why man, woman want having about, you know, say come for me and carry me home.
Uber man.
Am I there?
Yeah, we have a little problem here. It's like, me don't know the call, and them a take long for talk back. You hear me good?
Yeah, man.
You hear me good?
Oh, you hear me? I hear you, man.
So, what did happen to them two first call?
I borrow Wi-Fi, man.
No, but me not understand because them why them. It's like something I go on when them take long. It's like it delayed and them have to wait and thing and whatever.
I borrow Wi-Fi, brother.
What you say? No, you know, so many I go shut down the show and say me and start it over. And
I shut down the show for them, man. I borrow Wi-Fi, man. You know go.
No, John, I wonder if I something with TikTok or something. Coming on my system because I spend thousands of dollars set up one brand new sitting here with 192, you know, DDR5 RAM and big processor and new computer. So and upgrade my internet to the best with Verizon have. So I know what's up on my side.
Yeah.
You understand? So me I say if I did something to do with TikTok whatever. But we are hear you good and you respond to me good. You know, waiting a long time for hear me.
No, man, TikTok good, man.
Ah,
Why Wi-Fi no, man? You know, that's more.
no, I mean, I wonder who I go on a while ago because it happened to the first 2 call and I hear the third. All right, well, it's good for no say it at work. Where you are, my brother?
You empty your chimney yet?
A dirty man, yeah, man. Uber, man, you have to come a party, you know.
Why? You think about you, Raga?
Eh?
You think about you, brother?
Nah, man. The people them need to see you, man. The people them need to see you and know you and say, yo, see Uber, man, yeah, you know, see boss, yeah, you know.
That's about you, man, because I hook up online where you forget the ticket then.
Yeah, you know, you are, you take, which state you in?
Baltimore.
Baltimore. Right, then I easy drive up that for you, man.
I want to.
Yeah, man. I want to drive up that for you, man, and thing. I want to take Uber, man. The people them need to see you, man, and things. So what you saying idea you right, you know?
Boy, Raga, me say, they cuff them down a fling P jacket, boy.
I do what?
Fling P jacket.
The cruff them, you mean woman a fling beer jacket, I want to go on, send on.
Me say, me I want to bring me here, man, because a 9 jacket in game.
No, I mean, I believe that.
Me say, if I lie, I cry.
9 jacket. 9 jacket?
9.
Me not believe that. Me not believe that.
Raga, me say, I found what you want to call it when the jacket take a while.
Yeah.
Yeah, man, I'm here, man, in there with my cousin. And a long time after they go to school.
Yeah.
But the virgin, he come like in thing now.
Well, I talk directly in my phone here to the phone. Yeah.
Yeah, it look like in thing now go out properly. So in control one big work.
Yeah.
When you imply in virgin them, then
Yeah.
so all I'm virgin them go on yard like a drink and sitting. And you know what say? In 9 I'm virgin them breed the girl. And I'm a cousin, I tell about it.
No, my worst I not believe that. My worst I not believe that.
Raga.
Yeah.
Me now come build up no story and tell her. A facts me I tell you about.
No, hold on. How many brethren him have?
9.
No, Uber man, me not believe that.
Boy, me say.
Hold on. No, Uber man. Yeah, say him have 9 brethren and she breed for the 9 I'm brethren.
I hate time. Hate I breed her. And then you go there again and breed it. And he feels away him. And when he realizes I no feel, I ball to my cousin. I beg her to put that one in her name.
Oh, the 9th one? I say
the 9th one. If somebody from here I listen me right now, then we call in and prove. And because me I tell about my brother.
No, me not Uber man, me not believe that one there, no. Me I tell you God truth. Me not believe that one there. That one there for big.
Alright, watch that.
In the law, we said that has to be corroborated, right?
Somebody are listening right now, and me know them are calling and prove what me I tell you.
Alright, yeah, alright. No call no name, but just tell with the area.
Mount Stewart.
What?
Mount Stewart.
Mount Stewart?
Yeah.
Mount Stewart?
Yes, sir.
Somewhere near Mount Stewart?
Yes, sir.
Which parish that in?
Westmoreland, man.
Mount Stewart?
Yes, sir.
Westmoreland?
Yes, sir.
9 I'm brethren them breed him woman.
I tell her, I'm a cousin, you know.
See somebody I said them know somebody will get 5 jacket from him wife. No, we know about people who don't know about one brother years ago. I think I pay him the day. Anybody I listen me long time, I remember that brother there who when him find out say all I'm picking them a jacket and thing and get one bad stroke. Mash him up, man. Like mash up him brain and all them something there and thing. I forgot what that brother they did name, you know. Somebody who remember it soon post it, man.
Yeah, man, I really think
But
that's a
no, but when I say the number sound high, that I want. For you know say she go breed for 9 I'm friend them.
Yeah.
And how coincidental it is that she breed, she had dash out and breed for one of each I'm friend them. That
So
just sound
the brother me I tell about in control one big farm, right?
yeah.
So in give them work on him with it. So when they done work at evening time, they like go bar, go drink on him with it and chat and laugh at him.
Yeah.
And then you start realize that I breathing. Yo, whenever you see me come on your show, I not plan nothing. I come here to come talk now, but I really think that you know.
Me hear what y'all say, me hear what y'all say. But why me no know that one day me never hear nothing so yet from the day my born. I want ever 9 jacket and the 9 jacket I feel 9 I'm friend, 1 each.
9. Last one about what you ball him a ball people my name.
No, somebody have to call from Mount Stewart and corroborate that. Anybody have any link from Mount Stewart in a Westmoreland? On send in a wait name there and thing and whatever and make we hear what go on there. So that one the sound steep. Man, I like Uberman, that one the sound improbable. Yeah, that one the sound improbable, my dog.
Alright, you want me to link up my cousin me call in and tell us I don't know joke thing.
Yeah?
You sure we mash up in a ragga?
No worry about that shoe and mash up or nothing. Me just say yeah. But you have to tell me who she say me make sure say me bring her in and them something there. You understand?
Alright.
You'd have to send me a little message and thing and say she name so and so.
Yeah.
And whatever, you understand? I make me talk to her, alright? Because that one that no Uberman, that one the sound extreme, Papa. I one that hard for me believe that one day. Me nah go around the thing. That one that hard for me believe. For real.
Ragga, but Karen too cute final.
What? No man, Elaine too cute.
Yeah, Elaine me always a bit something. Yo, me glad. What do you me hear? I say, yo, I feel goosebumps pull my body, brother.
Yeah man, Elaine too cute. I'm a charger man. No left me out, you know.
The woman, me say me never meet the woman, but me I tell her say, yo, me just love her vibes.
Yeah man, I'm a charger man.
Yeah man, she just got this picky talking man.
Yeah. It's somebody say,
Yeah, still love.
somebody in our chat say it's like when Elaine attack, she don't even have to give a mix up her joke, you know. From she attack, you want to laugh,
man.
you know. She just have that something there.
More fi call in one night too.
John, no, a mama fi link, you know, a mama fi make a link, you know.
Yeah, more she fi call in man, cause you know say a real rebel at you know.
Nah, man, I tell him, man, I say a word, man. See?
Go on, big up yourself, brother.
All right, cool. But see somebody in our chat say, but that not far from a woman where 11 picnic for 11 different man. 11 picnic for 11 different man, different from one man, woman, I give him 9 jacket with 9 I'm friend. It's a 1 each. No, that makes it just like a little bit too incredible right there. You know, like, boy, I would have to get some evidence to back up that. No disrespect to Uberman, but that one they just sound like a stretch, yo.
Reggae, where dude?
You know some day what go down?
Yeah, my day, I'm just tune in and I listen to things better.
Saying?
So I give a piece of drama about me what because I'm not gonna act like the man that will become macho and that good as me I say.
Yeah.
Because more while you go to a female and you feel to talk about it.
Yeah. Nothing wrong than that, man. Yeah.
There's like but then the girls want to decide me I say. There's like one of my friends them tell me about a female where Him sort out already. And she didn't give him too forward. And but me know say the man the length, you see me I say?
Yeah, you say you know, so the man lengthy.
Yeah, and she didn't give him too forward. And me little bit than that the man there. So me I say, alright. And me hear say from the short, only part of man go there. And then man they come like a star sword. So me I say, boy, alright. So one night me meet the catty, me carry go and dance.
Yeah.
So she tell me say she want pee. Cause my friend tell me say, you know, I fear her sign that. When she want to get like a piece, she say she want pee. So you go just read the line and do the thing.
Yeah.
So me go say, I'm not care for a ball field. Cause the one dance they keep on the ball ground and you have a netball court.
Uh-huh.
So me care about the netball court now. Kick her 2 foot them and bend her over. Roll her one bounce. Raga I one of the tightest. What's going on? So she a say, oh my man pushing things so fast. Mr. Baby, your man loaded pint in my broad. So me go say, but no one ended up going there.
Yeah, go and use code though. Yeah, use code. Yeah, go and use code. Yeah.
So ended up going there now. And me go say, but man stamp it round 25 times, you know. Hey, you know, so them they just in the code
Eh,
stamp it and stamp.
Hold on, so
Raga.
hold on. So you're up in our living room and you're send it on hard.
Mr. Hard.
Yeah.
Mr. Man.
Yeah.
You got to find not to so better than my hard.
Yeah.
So when I don't find the 24th one to 25, I reach. You see me reach? Me see me look back and say, but I me not feel nothing. Me say the last one, me say, oh, you mean, I just pull out and stuff and say, girl, come go ahead. I felt so embarrassed. But then again, me know say me they never last, cause when them don't tell me say, boy, the hard road to travel for.
Hold on.
So boy,
Hold on. All this time, what you mean? You did think in a living room and I never in a living room. You
no man, in the living room and I go and fix up in the living room, you know, to my best knowledge, you know.
Right.
So I say, well, you know, when I'm comfortable with them, but when time it come about 24, me look back and say, she not feel nothing.
Okay. But you say it didn't feel like the living room door hard for what?
But me I tell you, so my time when time you push some door in the hard for me, why come like when you go in there, nothing there.
Well, you know one of the most embarrassing thing that a woman can say to a man when him at work, you know, like, no, that's the second most embarrassing thing. The second most embarrassing thing a woman can say to you, like, you know, you're Indian, she say, but me not feel nothing and thing and whatever, like, you know. The first most embarrassing thing a woman can say is that you're in the living room, and if that woman go say to you, you not put it in, or you not come. Voila, you're just dead. You're just dead right there, so you're just dead. If you're in there and she has said, so what, you know, put it in or whatever, that's why she can't church. She don't even feel like, you know, put in nothing yet and think or whatever. You know, you're just dead. Or something like that reach you. But you say you don't know the 100 already because the big dog, them what did that juggle already. You say the man them strap and heavy and things.
Yeah,
so
but
who is you?
Me never create the impact. Just make up a number.
Well, listen to Mas Raga now. That is not, don't assume, say, because, you know, some big dog go there and whatever, then bam. Yeah, that can be the case. But me just give you some talk from my youth days now. Okay, people remember now I'm an angel now, you know, I'm a good boy, you know. But back in the day, we did have a thing where we had to talk about if she have the snapback Jojo. Right? And some woman, I must say just genetics or whatever, It no care. Then could have baby yesterday. Once you go there, whatever problem for going at the living room, them just have a snapback, Jojo. Some woman, it's just genetics. It's just genetics, right? You have some man who used to go to prostitute. I remember a prostitute have all kind of technique, particular down in Jamaica when them have alum and all them something there. But some woman, just by genetics and biology, them just have snapback right back. That's a problem for going. Yeah. So don't assume, say, because a woman takes some big something or whatever. Yeah, for some woman that reach them, yeah, look at mileage and all them thing there and you show it. But some woman,
True, yeah, that, man.
yeah, some woman, them, them sitting on a snap
When
back.
you show them couple years of them,
Eh?
you say they would want a hymenoplastic surgery.
What?
Remember the parade?
Yeah, hymenoplasty, yeah, hymenoplasty. Yeah, a different something of that. That is just replacing the hymen, the virgin, So enough of that I go on to, but that, remember, replacing the hymen is not tightening the vagina, You understand that?
No,
you understand? Right? The hymen really have nothing to do with, the hymen is just really, it's almost like a thin wall. Right? But that have nothing to do with the tightening of the vagina. Okay? So the hymenoplasty surgery is literally putting back a hymen there to break again. So a lot of the Muslim women them do that nowadays, because them have that little thing they say when they're married, the first night, they have to do so, and the man have to come out with her with a bloodied sheet to show his relatives that she's a virgin. For those of you who don't know, that's a big thing in the Muslim, Hindu religion too. Hindu mostly, I think it is. Like the Indian them and some Muslim and things. So you have some woman when them go on with them thing, nowadays, modern days, them go to surgery and put it back when they get one good boy, But that have nothing to do with tight, you have a different surgery for tighten, right? Okay, that different. Anyway, big up yourself here, sir.
Big up.
Yeah, man, cool. Anne Marie say, hey, Rags. I'm assuming that's how you would say. You would say, hey, Rags. All right, Anne Marie, big up yourself, see? Sherry Laws, big up yourself. I dig. Hershey Pie. Sapphire, large up yourself. Honey Bunny, large up, you're a subscriber. I see you, big up yourself, big up all of the subscribers them to my YouTube, to my TikTok channel over there. Janice says, love you, Raga from Pennsylvania. Large up yourself. Send on a mix up them people. And do remember my birthday party, Ragabash, Saturday, September 20th. Amazura in Queens, New York. It's gonna be a movie. It's gonna be epic. Red carpet affair. Dress up and put on your good clothes and step out and make people see that you make clothes look good. Good night. Who there?
Good evening, Raga.
Good evening.
Tambourine.
Long time. Foundation. Where you say?
Foundation.
See it?
Raga, me a little bitch.
It's all good, man. Remember, you talk to Master Raga, so I make you just relax now and think.
Raga, enough ears, but listen to you,
See it there?
Yeah, enough ears. Much love.
See it there? Got some, man. Blessings, man. So
yeah, with Tambourine. If you don't have the Tambourine, watch Ragashanti.
Long time. So what you saying in the evening here?
Bid one have a look mix of figure, but a look man whoever have Raga.
Yeah.
Run him where every minute the man still that takes it from and him now put in no weight.
Talk to me about the mix-up.
Raga, I've been doing for a 3 years now.
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah.
And it's like, and if you accuse me of this, me of that, and when you look, every minute him come apologize, we run him back, him come back again, Raga, I don't know what to do. And him is not like say him a put nothing to the table.
What you mean not put nothing to the table? Him not.
But I'm not giving me nothing.
Him not give nothing. Him not mind.
No, just sex alone. Raga like him have a sex machine.
Oh.
Yeah.
No, man, but you must have get something out of it while you and him
Like
a
I
juggle.
not get nothing, I swear.
No, what you like about him?
Well, but honest, him kind of look, you know, if two women are like, right? But in the day, respect is there. But in the day, him just not push up to the table. Him sex everything good like about the money wise and you know take care. Him not add up.
Oh, so him sat up, but you still not tell me, you know, well, you kind of hint at it. You say, so I want to know, what do you get out of it? How you and him get involved? There had to be something that you were attracted to that make you say, all right, I'm going to get involved with a youth. What was it? What were the things?
That's how the two of them are like, right? You understand me? Look vulgarness.
Yeah.
And him look weird there. Yeah, because he's a people person.
Right.
Him jealous.
Right.
You say jealous, him jealous.
So you guys have compatible personalities. The two of them understand each other upon almost a psychic level. And you kind of like that because, you know, you can feel him and him can feel you and understand you. And that is important. That is important in a relationship.
So why you give me an advice as a Raga? Because the last 3 weeks ago, him accused me of doing something. He made me even swear for my kids them. I wish him not like do. I'm just lose my first son since December we're gone.
Oh, I'm sorry. Sorry to hear that.
Yeah.
So, well, on, him accuse you, where him accuse you, say what? Say you born him, say...
Being thief, him clothes. Raga Tambourine said that one day.
Well, on, no. What you mean? Say you thief him clothes?
Yes, Raga.
No, you have to explain that, because that no make... People are listening and I say, like...
I'm going to explain it.
Yeah.
I'm going to look at platform, but trying to think me don't really talk about.
Yeah.
What you and you know what you come and advise your opinion and I will make it fun.
Indeed.
Listen.
Indeed, yeah.
Yeah, let me give you the mix now. Where him say my TV clothes.
Him
got laundry.
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah.
And look, he make a mistake and left my clothes them.
Right.
I mean, take them out.
Talking iPhone, yeah.
And I say, I mean, take them out. And I accuse me, and I make them say, I'm going to take up the clothes them, bro. When I do the clothes them to my hand, this is the thing I say, go on with the wash out clothes them. We're not going to take the clothes. I'm going to do with the clothes. Him say, me teeth him clothes them, and again. I'm going to give man them. I give man them him clothes them.
Well, on. You know, I've never heard crap like this before.
Believe it, brother, disbelieved. I really so.
You are this man a juggle and things. Some man who you know how long the two of them do like each other and thing and a feature each other and him go laundry and thing and say, you thief him clothes from the laundry matter and figure carry go give your other man them.
Yeah, right.
Yes, Jesus.
Me go thief him wash out clothes them with him man. We come to bad.
No, man, that sound like one backstory there, man. Yeah, one look at soldier.
No, Raga, believe me, the man Lulu, Raga, believe me, him does think wide. Him not even time to take the time for team and say, why am I talking? Raga, me no know.
So, hold on. The youth where you know will come through the border and things. So, what you
Raga,
want
nothing like that. Nothing like that. I put in my head, say, make teeth him close them for what the man will come through border.
No, but why him specifically say a man who did come through the border?
Because you know them love help people, him love accuse woman, say woman have man and all these things and cheat.
No, but how him reach the border? Why specifically the border? You know somebody who come through the border?
No.
So him just randomly bring up this out of the blue, so?
Yes, brother, yes, because him accuse me of taking clothes then.
That's one of the weirdest things I've ever heard in my life. Man, I said,
exactly.
Can you imagine you and a woman there and whatever? I say, hey, woman.
Brother, you want me and the rain to, you know, when I come from work, you know. You see me start to cry, brother, the way the man I call and I bathe and I say, oh, no, where me live, you know, where am I going to do, you know.
You know, said that not sound too safe to me.
That's how I make I believe.
No, that not sound too safe, man. That not sound too safe to me at all. Because me not tell you what you have to do, you know. Me just I say, sometimes when you're in a relationship and you see somebody go so wide and random with them thinking. Here's my concern about stuff like that. When people still saying, in order for you to be comfortable with somebody, them have to have certain amount of predictability to them. You have to say, nah man, you know she not do that, or no, me not say she not do that, you know, but me not see her do that, or hold on, or you know, you just say no, a fear thing that, you know, that's why me say so and so, or but you see when you're there with somebody and you are make yourself vulnerable around them because you're there with them. And this person is so unpredictable that they will come up with some random, far out, weird, sitting from, you know, weird, something like, you know, you don't really know what that person will do at any given moment.
I'm crazy.
But you said it to her, no matter like, so.
But my body is like a jovial person. You know, me talk things, make him laugh, and then, but when it come on to things like these, accuse everything, Raga make me get a joke at you, go laugh. You know, so when me see him hiding Belfort.
Yeah, him hide him wallet.
Yeah, hiding wallet.
Why am I hiding? Why am I hiding wallet from you?
Because he not trust nobody, Raga. He not trust me, me not know that if him do it to other woman, I don't know. But that's what him do me.
Well, me I keep it 100. So if I know nothing to do with you, make him stay so. Then it look like him get burned before a certain way and him a carry the crosses there and the luggage there and I put it on you now because him have it in my mind. So, yo, you can't trust no woman because woman do me this. Because you have some man stay so, you know. You have some people stay so, oh, because woman do me so and so and man do so and so. So they bring that luggage. They bring that burden. They bring those insecurities. They bring those fears. They bring those anxieties that they experience in relationships before and then project it onto them new partner and think when the new partner have nothing to do with that and whatever, but to them just start, you know, to them just now forever submerged in that paranoia. Them see them pain and them insecurities everywhere them go and then put it on people and God forbid them for drop back one day and say, you know, say, this is really my insecurity and my issue. I need for work on this and stop growing and I see it, you know, just because I go through it, but go things everybody there. Because remember, you know, whatever you see, you know, whatever you water, that I go grow. Whatever you water, that I go grow. So if you see every woman has teeth, then and when the woman just did all a brush off something at the table, you go say, gee, see there a teeth, she did a teeth something right there. So because that is what you see. And nobody can tell you, say, I never teeth, the woman never teeth, because in your mind, at that you see. But you have to be careful with that because if you go accuse you of them serious thing there, serious thing where people would do people things for. Yeah, then you have to wonder if one day me go accuse you of something you not do and then go put it on by a certain way. You understand? Can you say my threatening?
I'm mad at him take it off. I'm mad have a sickness like that and like him come off with it. I said that's a lie. That's a lie.
What do you mean? What kind of sickness? He's claiming that there him have some sort of sickness that is hereditary that he got from his mother that was passed down to him through genealogy. Yeah. That he must say, no.
Yeah.
You need to be careful. Yeah, take that man body here. You need to be careful because one I think I'm going to tell you, you know, listen to my swagger right now. I don't know why. Don't ask me for explain it. I don't really know why. I just going to tell you one of the undeniable truth out there. Again, don't ask me to tell you why that is. But you see, some of the craziest, sickest, most demented people out there, and them have some good sort out it up. Listen to me. Yo!
We tell him bipolar. We tell him bipolar. He have dementia. We tell him that.
Nah, man, it sound like he has some problem, man. But you have to be careful, man. Because you see, the woman them will tell us that the devil dick man them out there, them not too righted and thing. And me as a man can tell you from my extensive research and readings and so forth, right? Yeah. Some of them woman there, and you know, turn up strong, you know. And you know, turn up strong as a man out there, you know, you have some woman and some good work out there, you know, and you will get lucky in upon the work and you try to make it work. But them a mad woman.
So
And you have to run them way.
Raga,
Yeah.
don't whisper that part. You know, say every damn tab on my pussy, my God.
No, hold on. No. Hold on, man. Don't say, bruh. Just say your chun.
The chun.
Yeah.
Every day, Raga, every day, must hit the pan him head and all these things. Him can't get over the tune.
Then you know, see how that a go on.
Yeah, Raga, me say him have that sex machine through the front, Raga, through the tune. I hit him a whole lamp and like you don't want to next man to go take it.
I'm mad. You know, see, no, you have the man out there, you know.
I real something, Raga, me tell him say me done in a month it ago now, and me tell him say done. And him, me block him all a private him number call me.
Listen to me. Me I go tell you this straight and plain. Enough woman dead because man mad over them front. One time at Portmore when the man killed the woman, I don't know if you remember, years ago, when the man killed the woman, the man go out time way for cut out the woman front.
I remember that.
You remember that? I want next level
remember
sickness that you know. It's a next level sickness that you know. Yeah, you have the mad people out there. And you're right, because now it's making sense. Because you have these men out there, they're so caught up in the macho thing and no woman can't do me this and can. That when them get something good, or when them get all a good woman who treat them good, right? Just a woman is being kind and nice and caring to him and whatever. You have men out there, you know, when them see that they're doing the human thing, responding to that like, this feels really good. This woman is a good woman, right? I can't stop thinking about her because she's a good woman. She's, she fills my thoughts every day because she's doing all these good things. You know, say you have the man that will turn around and say, no, say, you know, so that girl I must tie me. That girl I tie me, you know, that girl I must tie me. You know, that girl I walk over upon me. Oh, me can't stop thinking about her. So, you know, you can't trust them just because them I get good treatment.
True.
So you have to care about me, you have to be careful with that because him can dead over your front, and through him weak to your front, him a go blame you now, say, I something you a do, and you a thief him clothes. Next thing you know, him a go say, you take him clothes, can a Obia man go Obia him to close them and all them something there. What you have to be careful of them people, be. You have to be careful of them people, man. I can't tell you as you hear a Reggae always I tell you, you see the thing you love the most, and you see the thing you enjoy the most, you must always be able to say no to it because that are your weakness. You must be able to say no to your weakness. But you have to first acknowledge it, say, yo, this is my weakness, you know. This is my weakness. And then once you acknowledge it, you humble yourself and stop being macho and whatever. And you say, no, you know, I'm weak to that something there. And because you acknowledge it as your weakness now, you are now predisposed to maturely, by choice, maturely control yourself over it. Rather than for end up and blame the person, say, you are this. Hey, one woman tell me, say one night, you know, one time, you know, she saw out of Jamaica. She saw out her man, you know, and she said she would in batty jar them and whatever. And she said, Raga, me have a style, you know, when me just dry it down. And she had 10 more, she know, and she had wind it up on him and I curl it up on him, you know. And I do that look of something, they bring it at the edge, you know, and thing and whatever, and do that look of squeeze. And she explain all the thing then what she do, you know. And she said, when the boy did it, and she tell him, said, don't go fast, do man. And she hand it to him, you know. And she said, the boy a curl up in it, and the boy, whatever she said, she just see him wheel him and come back. So and goes up, bow, one box in her face, you know. I start by and say, hey, girl, what you do to me? Hey, girl, what you do to me? I never, me a ball, so I never ball yet. Hey, girl, what you do? I'm mad, you come, hey, girl, I'm mad, you come, you wobbe me. Hey, girl, me never, this never feels so good. Hey, girl, I want it. No, them people are out there. Man. Them would just start beating you on a ball and what are you doing to me? And whatever. You have to be careful of them, man. And of them will start you too.
You see before before me say me now go, my name is good.
Yeah.
And the animal I start out.
Yeah.
You don't know some more time me man stop in the start out and I talk and I say, I love you. And my pussy this me now.
No, well, man, you may tell you no say the P word, man.
Yeah, the P word, sorry,
Yeah,
the
yeah.
P.
So-
am I one this?
Yeah, say me that stopping
Yeah,
at the
it's
middle and thing.
Them stopping at the middle.
No,
Yeah, and I say, am I P this, you know?
Yeah.
Am I P this? I mean, nah, let's say no.
Nah.
Let's say
Right in a middle like, nah, man, I front him at him.
Yeah.
I front him at him, the front him at him. Are you front him at him? Are you good worker mad him good as? Are you good worker mad him, man? Good worker mad him.
But if not put on it to the table, I can't deal with somebody will not give me no. Come on, but try with him. If I give him and instead of it over and over, I'm tell him to listen to me now. I yes, so it done. I'm to a pint now. It's done.
Well,
I even yesterday I come rag and I can him out and I go come and I don't even know. I'm run.
well, them say when you're in a lion more take time, take you, so you have to go find somewhere. If you me not tell you what you have to do. You have to go find somewhere for let go off of that if you know, if nothing no there, so you understand what I say? You understand what I say? And then be careful too because you know, you have them you have the stalker front, you know. It's a stalker front you have, you understand? Well, yeah, man, we stalk you for your front car, your front and your wine. Good like that. We keep it 100 on the show. Yes, so you have to. Hey, me have a friend at Jamaica, you know. Bossy woman too, you know. No for no know her. She in the media. I'm not call her name. And one day she said a thing to me. She said, no, you know, she and this youth I did a date. And thing and whatever. I tease her. I say, I put it on the bars tonight. And she said, no. But now put it on for them, you know. I said, what you mean? Well, you have to try to tell me someone and I do nothing. She said, yeah, we are doing thing. But me not give him now. Me not give him like now. I said, what you mean? Him just make him go in there and him just, you know, and him enjoy himself. So I said, you know why it up? But no. And I said, what you mean? Why? And she said, me tell it. That's why I tell people now, you know, for have some woman friend. All I man them out there. If you have some woman friend who you now look front from, and them now look front from you, and who you take care of, you're dead for them. If they want somebody to talk, you talk to them. When they want somebody to cry, a man to cry too, who now go and take off them baggy, you be that guy. And you see them woman there, you have to ask them questions and make them teach you. Make them teach you. You know what this woman explained to me? She said, Raga, let me tell you something. You see, some of we woman, we know how to read a man. And for know say this man you can't get the A1 sort out. Because if him get the A1 sort out, him a go mad and stalk you and probably I'll just get all, you know, engage in some self-destructive behavior and that. I said, really? She said, yeah. So me not give him no wine and things. And she said, I can't wine. Me know if I do him all kind of something. Me know if I do a bag or something. She said, me not give him that thing. And I said, so for, yeah. And I said, yeah. Because when him just go in there now, him dead over it. Him think of the best thing in the world.
I have that problem. I don't do nothing at all. When me and him, when I take the tune, I just lie down.
Yeah.
Sometimes, you know, me that grammatical, you know, but otherwise I can do everything.
And him do everything and him think of the world and think. Yeah, because some woman just have it good like that. Once you go in there, them not have to do nothing, you know. Them not have to do nothing. Some woman just have, once you go in them living room, you're like, Bombat, what a house nice. I want to stay here, so. I love to live here, so. I'm going to move from my house and come live in here. Some woman just have that something, then once you go in for them living room, you don't want to come back out. You want to stay in there forever. You understand? Them not have to do nothing. Them not have to give you a little lemonade. Them not have to go cook the food give you or nothing or whatever. Once you're in there, you're like, Jesus, I eat this. I eat this. Lord, I have arrived, right? So somehow after that.
I'm my first baby father, right?
Yeah.
I know I met him from school days.
Yeah.
I have 3 kids with him. My first son passed away and I have a 2 daughters female.
Yeah.
Anyway, you see when I him there, he was, you know, say one time I him on the bed in the room, and he said, well, you know, say the honest, I love my people them, you know. But you see a tune I eat me near you get together. I love my youth there, but I get tune me and you. I don't put to the name dear Raga. My baby father still want me. But my first baby father.
No,
still.
man.
The second one, the third one, still.
Yo, man, you have the nah left juju. You have the nah left juju, can't left juju. You have the must come back. You have the I shall return. You have the Afitania. You know, you have that something there. But listen, I'm going to take some more call and thing, but you need to be careful with that situation there where you're in because we have seen where a lot of men have done some really crazy, stupid things over good front and things. So you need to be careful, okay?
Yeah, man, I know that.
All right, then blessings. Cool, man.
All right, take care.
Wow.
Much love.
Yeah, people, man, tell you, you know, you have them people out there, you know. You have them people out there, you have to be careful with them. You have to be careful with them, right? You have to be careful with them. Right, me I tell you about my friend in Jamaica, and she said, no, we women, we know, some of we women, we know some man who you can go to hard and go give them the fullness and think, and them a turn idiot and want to kill you. You know, I say worse like all if you like a guy and, you know, you just have look of fun with him and whatever and thing. And she say if him look like him frightened and him no know style and him no know good sitting and whatever and thing like that, she say you can't give him the sample thing. You have to just make him go in there and enjoy himself because that alone him think say, yo, this are the wickedest thing him ever get and thing. And so you say, then a wife him to go get all two wine and all them something that wine would have say, yeah, you have woman who balance up that something there and know that something there. Right? So you have to be careful who you make get the gold standard, who you make get the blue ribbon sort out. You understand? And ladies and every man forget on a blue ribbon sort out. If you reach a point where you say, you know, so that boy you going good, I'm like him and all these things and whatever and and you go on, you know, or if you want to have fun, in modern times now, sometimes women see a boy and say, boy, they cute, you know, and you know, take one off of him, you understand? But you have to know and read the play because you have some man out the man, them good friend and them want to stalk you and kill you off and all them sitting there and hide out in a bush out in your yard and trail you in a car and all them sitting there. And the woman them do it too and then them get the devil D. Right? So men, one two have to know. Say, yo, you may have sort out a woman and you don't even want to give her two. But I go for no crush ice and mash up her head or wine it pan her or edge it look a time, 2 time or, you know, come out of the living room and slide up at the top and do that look a stroke. You're saying too much, Raga. Stop. But you know what I say, right? Okay, you may not want to give her a mix-up thing and whatever. Men, listen to me. Men, listen to Mas Raga. You see, if you put it on a woman, you put it on a woman proper, you see, if when you're done, that woman do a silent thing where she just not say nothing and look upon you and stare upon you, be careful. Huh? Men, be careful of that woman here. Anytime, you see, if you go on with the things, if you go on with the thing, them and do a bag of something and mash up her head, you see, if the woman, when she done, you see she do a thing like this, I look upon you like, I see if you say, B, you good? And what? Now she go, yeah. Yeah, I'm good. B, what? Yeah, look so. You good? Yeah, I'm good. I'm good. Yeah, I'm good. Oh my God, that was just so incredible. What? You see, if a woman relate to you that way and thing and whatever when you're done, it's all good, you know. You get wrapped up in your ego, you know, but put her in check. Right? Because when once them start investigate, you know, and start check out this and that and find out everything about your life history and all them something where you know, and get deep up with the thing and then you might be a little stark up on your case, all right? I'm just saying. Me and the old man I give advice now, you know, all right? Remember, you see most people who call it or whatever, them say, Raga, me used to listen when I look a bit, me used to listen when I go to high school, me an old man and I think, so listen what Master Raga tell her, right? Brother, I say right now, adapt me. You see somebody post and say right now, adapt me I get from a baby mother. All right, listen to me. Shani, rear gem, big up yourself, my friend. Big up yourself, my friend. All right. Jojo Saraga, darling. Darling, back to you too, you know, boo-boo, all right? Ladies, the whole of you, my darling. I love the whole of you. I'm there for you. You understand? For entertain you and protect you too. Don't. Nothing wrong with that. Yeah. So the thing go, you know. Good woman for get take care of. Yeah, when I talk about just finances and whatever, man, you know, you make yourself, you know, psychologically available to them, and you know, you're there to support them and make them enjoy your company. Sometimes some of the man who just dip on breast and focus on breast and chun and whatever. Who know if make woman enjoy your company. Yes, when a woman enjoy your presence, after a while she give you, you know, if it's something like that, you know. After a while, she just feel it and just want to get closer to you intimately and whatever, you know. Sometimes when I look woman, you know, for focus on make the woman take the time to enjoy your company. Yes, when a woman enjoy your company and she love your presence, she love when you're there. You see, when you and her kick off and whatever, you she rated miss, you know. She miss you, man, because I know the sort out, you know, the sort out nice because she enjoy your presence, your company, your vibe, your energy, right? The way you relate to her and make she think about some things that she never think before, and you make she laugh and all them something that you know reads about all some things and she feel empowering and whatever and thing like that, you know. After a while, she just enjoy her sleep with you. And it's not even like a decision for her. It's just like a natural order for she just, yeah, she want to just consummate the thing with you, you know? Because the thing just depend on another level. Because she enjoy your company, your presence. You're there. You understand? And when no, there. Right, I want to just a juggle and all them something that you and you listen when me and tell you no. But I would have rush something there for draw down baggy and all them thing then whatever. You understand? Just make a woman enjoy your company, your presence. Make sure enjoy your layers, you know. Make sure so you can relate to fear layers. Make sure you understand her in ways where she has said, Jesus Christ. You know, I say no other man understand me like that man and whatever. And then the chun will run after that. It will become like a natural thing and whatever. You just happen and thing and she feel good and enjoy it too and whatever because you and her have the look at alignment there, the melding there. It's almost like a psychosomatic marriage, you know. I'm not a literal marriage, you know. I talk a blending. You understand what I say? At that time if you do, man, make woman enjoy your company and them will call you. You don't have to call them. Right? You will get that call, you know. More time all you and him or something, you get that little call. Hey you. What? What you doing? You know, I miss you, you know what? Listen to me. All right. Let's go. Let me see what the ladies them say about that. Yeah, all I man them. See what the woman them say. You see, wait them. I'm back up in our chat. Raga, watch your zodiac sign. Straight Virgo. Nah. True. Yes. Facts. See it there? Facts. You know, yes, that is it. That is it. True. True, you know. Yes, facts. Yes, that is it. You know, the ladies them attack. That them are the expert, yeah? Anything me I tell you, I will me learn from woman. Anything all them something me I tell you, I will me learn from woman. All right? Greetings.
Greetings, how you doing? Call us again one joke.
Senat.
Alright, so I have one baby father.
Yeah.
So when it be a problem, you know, I did have to run and left him go foreign.
Yeah.
So I run and left him go foreign now, so he keep up a bag of things and I end up having to come back. So when I come back now, he carry me go court. Tell the judge say me can't keep the baby. So when we got court now, hear him to the judge. Your Honor, court they go good, you know.
Yeah.
Hear the man in the court. Your Honor, he talk soft, you know. You know. Your Honor, she can't keep the baby. So the judge say what? Hear him now. She the America dance go and drop off of the pole. Me say the courthouse mash up. The judge say, where is that, sir? Hear him now. She's a stripper. So me say, Your Honor, look for me now as a big body woman. A dance go. Yes, Your Honor, she's still enough. She can't do it. Anyway, we got court done, then send we a counseling.
Mm-hmm.
So when I send we a counseling now, the lady asked me, say, how old maybe I tell her how old him because my baby father is a big man for me, you know. My baby father could have been my father.
Okay.
So me tell the lady, say, you know, say, I true me love man with money, me got that all year, me.
Yeah.
So the lady said, oh God. So anyway, court done now. He friend me up saying, I didn't know. He said to me, say, come to go out. So we go out. Raga the man give me icky from the back of my neck, come round like a one blood clot, big cargo chain. Anyway, so me now come
Him
here.
just kiss up your neck when you no go out.
In at the boat ride we go.
The boat
The man
ride.
kiss up my neck.
So him a left him mark pan you
Me
deliberately.
said the all young everybody want to say, oh, my woman come back from America. I mean get back my woman.
Yeah.
So anyway, when we go to the party, I will leave the party and go. Me say, come on, we go and meet feel me. I go see. He said, no, come here, come again. I mean, no more to get a turn in your yard.
Mm-hmm.
Now come here, I can sleep. He said, all right. We got one hotel. So we reach at the hotel now, Raga. I me give him some.
Yeah.
When him a go in here, man, oh man, this not feel good. This feels stretch out. Like you sell out the whole life. Raga, the man said, this feels stretch out. This come like you sell out the whole life America. So I say, all right, I can sell out America. Please leave it, I go sleep.
Yeah.
So anyway, I go sleep now.
So hold on, you don't never do it.
He said too big, it's stretch out.
And
So,
him
yeah, no.
hold on, so him really never do it after that, after?
I mean, he do it 100%, Raga. I mean, look for you.
Okay, all right.
Raga.
So hold on, so all him a run off him more about stretch out and this and that, he still do it, no?
Nah, come out tight,
Nah,
Raga.
come on tight
Nah,
and thing.
come on tight.
And drop asleep after, go and talk.
Yeah.
Mm.
So, yeah, no, in the morning, no. He wake up here, no. Let me try back, see if we come back together. The man said, make him try, make see if we come back together. Raga, the man come back now, I me give him it. He said, me give him it, hear him. Murder! He come back! He come back! Hear him. Nicole! He feel like I want you for your little girl pick me.
When him say he come back and you feel like a what?
He said, this feel like when he went just meet me. In my young age.
Yeah.
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 The man running in the room in the hotel room, come out tight, you know. Come out tight, run up and down and come back in night again.
Nah, you know a good something that. Anytime you do that, come out something there and thing and then kind of like make sure say your head straight and thing like I know mad and then you go back in night. A good something that man. A good sitting that man.
Hey, Raga,
a good
man
sitting that.
something.
Yeah.
The man go on with something. The man say, hey, then now go back to America.
Nah, go back and no America, Tanya. Then I say, well, I say, I Sykes him I use fire board at first, but yeah, this feel like it's whatever this and that.
I saw him steer.
At them ship them go on with from long time, no.
Loud, you know. Raga, hear him now. Then Nicole. Then all this being stretched out, so.
I saw him talk. I'm slow and soft and quiet. No, I saw him talk. No.
So me say, I try to stretch out, me sell out it. Remember I telling Judge at court, you know. Me sell out the whole like America.
Yeah.
And drop off a go-go pole, you know.
Yeah.
Say, hey.
Yeah.
So me say to him and say, hey, what make you wicked and bad, so man, get it, man. Then me have to mash you up, man. I've met people that know say you go left me, man. He say, hey, somebody is a dirty man, Raga.
I God, whatever. And then if it stretch out and him do him thing in the night, the next morning, when him
And the next morning,
I
get
come
up
with him
again.
general shit. Let me see if it come back to you. Come
Yeah,
over
let me
here,
see if
some.
it come back. So me say to
General.
him, say, it gonna come back and ain't go nowhere. Hey, Raga,
Yeah?
that the man there, when me tell you, say, me live with a man there for what? From me I go high school till me a big woman, you know.
Oh, so now
And me
come from far, man.
yeah, man, and me tell you, say, Raga, me tell people, you know, me not live back in no big house with no man, you know. Cause me in a me room and man a woman in the guest room.
When you did live with him, you in your bedroom, I'm house and thing, and him have a next woman in a guest room.
And me if you tell a Raga, and when me look through the monitor, me see the girl, they come out of the yard. You know me, so me fight to man.
I know for my you have to fight for him, though.
Yeah, me have to see, hey, one day, no, me just put up, we just do some curtain at the house. And when we do the curtain, me left go over my house. Cause me me as a young girl come from the ghetto, and he's a big man with the money in the gated areas them. So when me go over there now, me left go over me and me come back. When me come back over, me come back. One man said to me, say, "Cause me say, my mind, ain't me work with my mind.
Yeah.
I ain't think my mind tell me how so me do.
Yeah.
So me did over, so me left come over, but so me do, me hide my vehicle around on the next block.
Yeah. That's
So when
style.
me hide the vehicle, me walk, go over in the yard.
Yeah.
So when me sit down in the house now, me sit down upstairs, so me hear the gate open when the remote, the gate go click, you know, remote gate.
Yeah.
When it go click, it open.
Yeah.
So me
Yeah.
say, Ratted. When me look through the monitor, so me look at the monitor, me say, he never in the back and him and one brown bread knife front. Me say, yeah, Jesus, me go fight now. Remember me and this man live, you know. And I left me in case I me there work, you know. Can't carry one man, you know.
Oh, so when him carrying that browning that day, what did happen with you and her?
Wait no man.
Yeah.
So me upstairs, so I said, no. He come in and he must search the house to see if nobody did it. So he said he never know. Upstairs he can't look.
Yeah.
So when he said he never upstairs he can't look now, he never buck up in on me. And when they never buck up in on me now, they never they run down the blouse and skirt staircase and me there behind they never they come down.
Yeah.
You see when he see me, hear him, baby, the lady are interior decorator. Raga.
Yeah.
Raga, the man say, that woman here, interior decorator.
She's an interior decorator. I bring her here to show her the out because she go,
She come fix and I be a scammer, I'm a scammer. So me say, I cannot top 10 lie, man. Me say me just pay $250,000 who in neighbor next door. What do all of the curtain in the house? So what you try to tell me for?
Right.
Hear him. Oh, she sells soap too.
She do
and he start
she sells soap too.
Yeah. So, no. Me push the girl, you know. So by the time I push the girl, he make him never grab the girl and carry the girl, you know.
Yeah.
Man take up one foot of the girl's shoes and not cut up me. So one foot of shoes she left with.
Well, you push her and thing and whatever, and by the time you push her, make him never just dry away or whatever.
Dry away and carry her.
But you get 1 foot of shoes.
But and you get 1 foot of shoes and you cut up the and dash away.
Jeez,
so she have to go. So you know, say, one day me don't have beer. And when me look at it, I drive, you know. And the girl miss the walk on St. James Street, man. I park the van and say, oh, my brethren. So the man said, walk one. So the man said, I want to talk to you, she pull the man. The man said, no, me will talk to my sister, hold on. Me say, your wife? He say, yes. Me say, I catch him up on my yard with my baby father. They do, and do the things them. The man said, where's the Nicole? Me say, there, she come with me 1 foot of shoes. He said, no. Me said, she must left down her shop. Me said, me catch her and ask her. You never do me. The man get up, blows and skirt back some yes, man. Me say, I just jump in my vehicle and go, and when me go, me tell me, man, Me just see a woman on be and me tell her man, you know. So me catch you and she that do the things them up here. Hear him? He's a wicked child. I told woman me the sign up.
I told woman, you know, say, what you do that for? You never did have to do that, man. You never did have to do that, man.
You're mad, man. Me the other one, man. Me see man a drive and me use me van and block the man. I say, hey, come here. You know, so even since you come back from her workhouse, she still the eye go up in the big man some. Me say, she not tell us the idea me have to bust her ass and come over her yard to fight her. Here, the man. No. The man say, go and get some lick when I reach home. Me say, yeah, man.
We make your boss pan them, so.
Yeah, man. I want here, man, Raga. This a man that carry through hell and back in a Raga.
Nah, but when me I say, why you never just war him? Why you boss pan them with for them, man, for?
He can't fight him, man. He beat me up regular, you know.
Oh. Okay.
Yeah, he beat me up, man. Beat me up till one day, me beat him up. Yeah, man, he beat me up.
No. Explain what you just. You say him beat me up till one day you beat him up.
Me say him beat me up till.
Yeah, go on.
He beat me up till one day, me beat him up.
What you mean by that? Explain.
One day, me say me and him left now, you know.
Yeah.
And me keep my birthday party.
Yeah.
I keep my birthday party over Aquasal.
Yeah, you know some music keep party over there too.
Yeah, yes. Remember you used to keep party over Aquasal.
Yeah, man. Music keep party at Aquasal.
So
yeah.
he come say, somebody call him and say, me don't have my nail shot down and catching all of my finger.
Yeah.
And he come down there. And he come, you know. And he come and he start, oh, everything we own in a life, I make you have it. The shop where you have it, I make you have it. The vehicle you drive, first you know what the man do? Me drive one Lexus van and the man tap out the door, you know.
Mm-hmm.
And me tell us that the man running rat shit. In the tire them in a dragger.
What him do? Him ratchet, yeah, him pull out him ratchet, him knife, yeah.
The four tire them, they can't patch back.
And stab them up when they can't patch back down. The four tire them.
Raga, man. And Raga, me just sit down, you know. And me now send up to him. And one lady, the lady was the principal of Kingsley. She used to live beside where Westgate Hills. And me I explain to her. Because she said, she not see me vehicle and she not hear me. Over the house. And I explain to her and say, me leave now, you know, me can't take you no more because either. And she said, very toxic relationship. She said to me, say, me understand you have to walk. The man over me, Raga.
Him what?
I mean, now pay him no mind. And the girl who do me nails the primer when they on the table. And me tell her, I said, move your hand. If he lick me, I go wet him with the primer. He over me, hey, girl, you this and that. Raga, me just tell the girl, say, let go off of me hand. And so when she let go off of me hand, me turn up on him. Me say, guess what? Today, August 10th for my birthday. And one day you not get no trophy for me. And when I time he see stop off for me, Raga turn back to him and God say full of this. I give him a blood clot, thump him down the ground.
Flatten him.
And so when me thump him down the ground,
yeah.
If he deep up, I thump him down the ground again, you know, man. You see me thump him down 3 times. He shame me, you know, man. I try stab off me, so they hold me and put me in the house. I said, me call police. And me go to the police station. The police call him and tell him, say, come. So the police call him and tell him, say, come. When he come now, the policeman say, me say to them, say, hey, listen, me no want no more be a policeman. Take up this a case here because the whole on a licky. And him go come with the money, I don't know, I go lock him up.
No, a Freeport police yeah, talk about, right? Yeah.
So the policeman said, me see one policeman say, me no come from Mobi, I me no want nothing from my big money at Mobi. I'm a work me come to do.
Yeah.
And me say the policeman say, take out the lace out your shoes, come here to nice tell black. Hear him. After me not do nothing, me say a two lie, everybody can see. Policeman in there, they ask me in date of birth. Hear me now. Don't even ask him, come back, what tell you, can't even remember it.
Okay.
So, the policeman said, me and him in the hard, you know. So the policeman said, go to the door now. You go to the door, let me talk to him. So by the time I go to the door, you know the girl what him there with, that come. I tell my friend out there, you know, I bite up herself. She not come up here to me there, you know.
Yeah.
Him no want you. And this and that, I said to her, I said,
Well, she come up and I said, but him no want you.
the man no want me.
Yeah.
I mean, I said to her, I said, but I mean, left the man. I know the man left me.
Yeah.
So, in the end, I bite up on a guant. Raga, me just move like me now look on her, you know.
Yeah.
Raga, I said, me run off in the station at that time.
Wait, you run
Marina-
off fire. You act like say you're not piano man, but then you run off fire in the station yard.
I run off fire in the station yard.
Yeah, and then what?
He run out a road like Merlin at him, can you lick him, kill him. Me say, look at Raga, me say, me come back in, the policeman say, go on home now. We are going to lock him up. They ain't lock him up. They let him out. I know they ain't going to lock him up. I know them police are licky. They ain't going to lock him up. But must say, Raga, we can't don't talk about this a man. Now if you come off now, me thirsty and tired. But this a man, me need to write one book.
Well, so you and him, you have any youth for him?
Two
picking it. All right, and tell me something. You say you and him at Westgate. Anybody know Montego Bay knows I be a big house up on that side there where you are talking about. All right. But when me I say, you say you and him there, you say much older than you, don't?
Much.
All right.
My father age group.
All right then. But you say you and him there from you in high school.
Yeah, from me just I left high school, me and him started. I'm going to tell us my friend did like me, you know. But true, me like money. And the friend I went to send out boy.
The friend was a send out boy, whatever, yeah.
And one day he come to me. Him and his friend come.
Yeah.
And when the friend come now, we got up a road town and show the school music to go.
Then the time you did that joke, you did kind of talk to the friend then.
I never talk to the friend because I never like the friend. The friend fell a rough rat. But the friend is to carry me to school at morning time.
Oh.
So you know when you drive from B if you go for anchovy,
yeah.
you're not left in.
You're not.
You feel good.
Yeah. One good look at drive that you pass.
Good look at drive.
Yeah, Boog and go up. Yeah, like go back to Westmoreland. Yeah.
Hey,
yeah.
Mr. Raga.
Yeah.
All when me say the man, see me hear the man say something to me. I'm me chop them time, me chop get like carry chopper keeper go to school.
I carry what?
Chop, you know the folder what they call chopper keeper? When the young kids is a carry folder.
Okay, yeah.
Yeah, but then we have one name chopper keeper.
Chopper keeper.
All I want to know is still there. No, my love. You're crazy.
No, pay the chat, no, man. Go and talk, man. I work with you, know, all right. I don't want to ask her nothing in that chat, all right? Work with me, man.
Yeah. Me tell us, the man and the boy, we go up in the place. And when the man say something to me, I walk me fall and he see me big old knife in it. Yeah. My brethren can't manage you. You is a bad guy. You are a bad man. Me say, now look for you. And me say, me did it. And the man start give me big things, you know. Because I guess on a Raga, when the man look me and me tell him, say, listen, me no have no bed and me no have no dresser. And the man take me, carry me go buy bed and dresser. So he give me the money now, so if he go on in a singers.
Yeah.
Go buy the bed and dresser. But me went done a bed and dresser already.
Yeah.
You see when time he gone, I come out and sing with my money and go to me like, I don't have bed and dresser. I send him a picture of the bed and the dresser will never meet.
Where you have a yard, yeah. Because them time they are hustling and work.
Hey, one night me come home, and when me come home, I say, oh, the yard looks so dark. But me went tell him, say, me nah, come home. Me get a part of what atta.
Mamacita, yeah, give me that.
The man have one bread. He have one bread that work on ship.
Yeah.
So the brother now carry on one woman for the ship. But I tell you with my baby father, if your mother in a look you, you have to have body.
Yeah.
So if a maga girl come at me, I'd be not afraid.
You're not afraid.
So you can't any maga friend.
You can, cause him not drive for the maga girl, him, no.
No, you see, if I have body like me, I can't go and get a blood clean.
No, cause him, yes.
So anyway, the brother carry the girl come there, the cook, the woman eat. Here the woman tell me now, where did you buy this furniture you have in your house? So I tell her, I said, Miami. Me order all of the furniture them for the house, marble top them. You know, I am sure us Westgate Hills house go nice.
Yeah.
I may tell her, say, Miami, me buy them and me get them and everything. One night, me and him catch up. And when me and him catch up, me say, come here, Grammy, I can build me one nice house, you know.
Oh, him build you a
nice
nice house. Him get a nice house, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
So, me say, every time I have something, me go home and me, I can have something for going on.
Yeah.
So, me say, me I go, but me realize, say, every time, normally, if me have argument, me say, me I go home, me can't go nowhere, can go argue, so me no bother end up nowhere. But for the reason that the man not argue, Raga.
Uh-huh.
So me say, all right then, me go home. When me go home, so one birdie went tell me that me ear say, me not tell you say, but it look like said the man there, the fool run a girl there. Me said that girl could have never brave after she come on near me food. In my house. And sleep with me, man.
A regular thing that woman do then sitting there, but go on.
But me say, Raga, all right. Boobs, over me yard now.
Yeah.
Drop asleep. In 12 o'clock. Me see my phone, the ping.
Yeah.
Somebody send me picture. The two of them don't go club down West Green.
Jeez.
One support down.
The two of them don't go club and suck out one another tongue down at West Green, don't. The same girl, but the one with Maga, she Maga?
No, she have a little body.
She have little body, and French she have little body.
The brother when the feature like a female.
Oh, but that are the shield for send your wife.
Yeah.
Okay.
So Raga, me didn't know. So me didn't know. Me say, oh, me go do this because if me drive my vehicle, then probably go see my vehicle.
Yeah.
But me did have two taxi on the road.
Yeah.
Then time that walk in the van.
Yeah.
So me call the taxi driver and say, "What go on, boss lady? Me just come in and me say, guess what? You know, say me let the baby asthma pump over the house and I want to go for it. I don't know what to make up my van and kill it slowly. He say, want me come here? Me say yes. All right? Me pick up my pepper spray. Me take up my knife.
Yeah.
And all of that.
Yeah.
Something else me did want to go for, but when me want to go for, ask God, me tell God, say, God, are you Cassie?
You leave the machine. You leave the machine. Yeah. You never want to go. Yeah, don't bring a machine because you may have to go spit out too. Yeah. So you just work
Raga,
with your pepper spray and your knife.
Raga, when you reach home, me make sure I carry the remote in a film van. So me open the place and go in the house. But he went left him brother in the house. So the brother never hear when me come in. So me go in now. In my room, me have one high boy, you know. So the house situated at two garage. One garage film and one garage chimney. So when he come in to film garage and there's a step you can walk on it and you come upstairs. You have one room where that's like we have movie room with the jacuzzi there, so then you have fairy room there, so.
Yeah.
And me set to backside Raga. All me a ear when they come up. Baby, I love you.
What are they? When you say you're coming out of the house, what you say you're here?
I saw them a kiss and I walk and I come in. So,
and what am I say to the one another? What am I say to the one another?
Baby, I love you.
Sure.
Baby, I love you.
Kiss me, baby.
Kiss me, baby. Raga, that not bad. So we got here when the girl said to him, say, so what happened to your baby mother? Here I'm. She love war too much, man. Blood clot, she a little terrorist. Every day she get up and war. The man start shooting now, you know.
Yeah, fling you under the bus. Be a thing,
the man dash me under the bus the most.
Yeah.
Ooh. One of them there, he go fight somebody. And then go top him up, kill him.
Are you him I refer to? Yeah.
And me ma chat him, Raga, he ma shot me, you know.
Yeah.
He shot me, you know, me say, Lord God, Jesus, hear me no more killing two people, you know. So me let me pick them now, Jesus.
Yeah.
And me did a Raga, me did a till. Me say, my belly a burn me, you know. But guess I know, I say, me going to the house, me find one old fan. And you know the bottom part of the fan. Me take up the fan and me chop up the bottom of the fan, the iron bottom part of the fan.
Hold on. You find one old fan and then the bottom part
In
of
the
the
garage,
in the
bottom
garage.
part, the iron part.
Yeah.
So me take my knife and me chop up it.
What the bottom
So,
part of the
lick
fan?
up.
The bottom part of the fan? What?
Yes. With the iron there.
Yeah.
So you know say the part if the way me chop up it, if me lick you with it go cut you.
Oh, yeah, I understand. Yeah, because the edge, the
Yes,
sharp
the
edges, them where you make. Okay,
So,
yeah.
Me say me there behind the eye boy and me say.
Wait. I'm sorry. I'm just help me here. Everybody, trust me. Everybody know where you. But what is a high boy?
All right. You see like it's like a chester draw.
Oh,
But
okay.
the tall one.
Oh, okay. They call it high boy.
Tall one.
Well,
They call it high boy.
Yeah, me I learn.
Yeah.
Me I learn. All right, go on. Yeah.
So me there behind there. I may tell us if you cut me, you know, feel no blood, you know.
Jesus.
Because I be a kissing me there, go on.
Kissing.
Number one, when me got this man yard, you know, go moving in there, I'm gonna be there in the house, you know. I me put be there in there, and me tell myself, say, me want when time me there when my mom go come and me be there, go wash out hand and eat, me can't wash out it.
Yes.
Me hear them a kiss up, clothes a take off.
Yes.
Hear me, Jesus mercy.
Mm-hmm.
But you ready for go woke up. Jesus Christ. Look about killing 2 people here.
Yeah.
And me say me did it now. Anywhere. They come out of the room now, so they go into the bathroom.
Mm-hmm.
In the bathroom is an space basin.
Mm-hmm.
And you have the toilet bowl, you have the bidet, you have the shower, and you have one next jacuzzi in there. So, so when me come out on the run of the corner of the bidet, run of the high boy, me go into the bathroom, me stand up on the top of the jacuzzi. So guess what? Me overthrow everybody coming up on the top.
Yeah.
You ever see when somebody's frightened when they see somebody?
Well, so you're going upon them now and they over the jacuzzi over them now.
Yes, me the over the jacuzzi, so me the pan top now. So them have to look up to see me.
Yeah. Rotted.
So me have me 2 hand behind me back.
Yeah.
The man pan me for about 10 minutes straight and can't say one word. The girl sit down on the bidet for about 10 minutes and can't say one word.
Well, him just a point and like him almost probably all a tremble.
I'm out open up and can't
like
say
oh, you come here, so
Raga the time me have me hand behind me back.
Yes.
I know some in a ramping.
Yes, man.
Raga, like he want to say, how me come, when he finally, he say, how you come? Me say, what you mean? Or me not have key for you.
Uh-huh.
You me live?
Yes.
Hear the girl. I told him I didn't want to come, and he forced me. And I tell him I'm not doing it. Me say, shut up, man. Come never ask you now.
Well, that time she still up on the bidet, though.
I know she can't get up.
And I ball out and I talk about, but tell him, say, I never want to come. I told him I didn't want to come in, and him forced me. He forced me.
That time, you know, they lock every door, you know. But guess what? Nobody can come in.
Yeah. Okay.
He did it, and him check till he get little strength, now he start check off him out. Hear him to me now. You know, some of you left. Me say, after all these years, we can't have one man take a year. Oh, go tell me some of you left. Over one little bit of argument. You say, come back here, you idiot. Let's go away.
Yeah.
I say, I must see a madman.
Yeah.
Anyway, when they ended the check off him out, here now, if me think me bad, let me go.
No, a wrong movie make that so in a situation like that. In what?
You must think that what someone God do.
No, but I hear the attack him make right this man. Him should have make some other attack like like try for but him cannot dare you after you're done mad and angry, then him a go dare him not protect her. But yeah.
Yes, when me come down, and me slap she food slap Tashi Brown, and me see him a come towards me. Hear him a make nice now. Nick Walling away go.
No, what you say? No, when you come down, what you say you do? When you come down, remember now, you still have the fan bottom cut up now, So
when you the girl with it,
When you clatter with the fan bottom.
Me flat the girl, man.
Well, I know, man. So when you connect her with the fan button, what happened to she?
The beer ball into the ball and the ball and they make nice. So
Jeez.
come like the brother now in the house hear the nice. And everybody who did it hear the nice. Him the move towards me now. But I'm going to me. He say, before he start make nice in the house now. Open up the window like you want people to hear. Nicole in there with firearm. Nicole don't kill me. Hear me now? You better right. Me say, Raga. You see what I do? The pepper spray not pray in the eye, you see, man.
You pray the
Almost
jeez.
done the pepper spray in the man, the girl eye.
You spray the two of them with the pepper spray,
They
seriously?
come like a thing. What ask him, man, about him, man?
Then when you spray them a ball, them what them a say? What them a do?
Them a ball and I make me a nice that time the brother they try kick down the door and pop down the place they come in. And I say, Nicole, you go to prison. You kill them up. He say, yes. At this day, me I go to prison.
Damn. Yeah.
Raga, I go on with a bag of sitting. Raga, you say not done?
Well on. So after you spray them with the pepper spray and them they blind and a flatter boat, what you do?
I give the girl a couple more slap off on the board. I give the man 2 slap. Remember the man always a beat me, you know?
Yeah. So you give her a couple more. You give her a couple more out of the fan bottom.
I mean, I give her 2 more off of the fan bottom and give the man 2. And I take the man balls. And I hold in my hand. And I just say grind up in my hand like, you know, you play, you throw dice in your hand, you throw out.
No, you did not. What you say? You're grabbing balls and what you do with him
Mr.
balls?
Raga,
Yeah.
the man face dropping at the face base in the toilet bowl. Me say, I hold on to him, you know what, all my leg on fight? Like me see like he turn black.
No, man, I'm serious.
Hey.
That's a one, as a man, me can tell I one different kind of pain. So what you do, you hold him balls and squeeze them and rub them together. Oh!
Squeeze them
God,
out.
listen to me. Me just talk to you about it and me I feel like look cringy and all then look sitting there. Listen, Jesus, I'm saying when you squeeze up in balls, man, think if you, the only reason I can let you go and think it look like say man go drop down. When you say turn
like him a pass out.
Jeez.
I saw me leg go a fight.
Wow.
You saw me leg go a fight. I give my blood clot kick, you see, man. Me say, I kill me if you kill you, the girl in there, open the door. You see the brother, they come in. They come, me say, don't touch me. I said, not touch you, me take something and stab you up. How you can you man come here? And I go on like a fear woman. When you know, me never know say she me brother in a business. Me say, you carry a girl off a ship. Can you know, say your brother and the girl in a business. I like to take me feed them. Me say, I kill me if you kill her in that tree, you know. And me say, guess I know,
Yeah.
this now is about 3:30, 4 o'clock in the morning.
Wow.
Remember, you know?
Yeah.
Me don't know if you go sleep now in the car. My driver gone left me, you know. So, me end up now and go over one of our friend them yard over Westgate Hills now.
Yeah.
Knock them up out of the house and tell them, say, my baby father just beat me, nearly kill me.
You're sampling that you tell him. But it was the other way around.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Tell them, say, the man nearly, well, I know, if you may come out of the yard, I take up one big stone and train on the Land Cruiser glass, you see.
Wow.
And mash up the vehicle.
Yeah.
And me say, so me over the friend them yard from about 4 o'clock.
Uh-huh.
And me just did it till about 5 o'clock. Me say, drop me over me yard, because guess what? Me know say him go when he feel better, I war the war on.
Yeah. Yeah. He more come for you.
Me say, Raga,
Uh-huh.
I go over me yard and I take up my vehicle. And when I take up my vehicle, I go hide you one place. He come and he tell me, granny say, just let me tell him this thing. Anytime me kill Nicole, and I don't know see nothing can do me. See me, I have to fix my glass this morning. Nicole mash up my glass. Nicole come over me and almost kill me. So my granny say, what you do? He not do nothing. My granny say, Nicole terrible about my stuff.
Yeah.
You do something. I got me have to give up. This a man, if me write a book about this a man, I say like time.
Nah, man, boy, me don't know you look like you ever go write it, you know.
No man, me go write it.
You look like you ever go write. All right.
Yeah.
Which part?
So-
which state you there, if you don't mind me?
You got New York, you got Queens.
Then I'm here, you know, in I see him borrow then, man.
Yeah, man, never close store pan America, so you know.
I lie you tell.
Yeah, me have a close step on America 10751 Nikki Couture.
Nah, man, them I go come look for you, man. Me I roll
Yes,
through,
man,
man.
Raga, you have to come, man. You have to come, man.
What you said, Nicky
Hey,
Couture Pan America, right?
yes, man, 10751.
Hold
You
on,
can't
hold
laugh.
on. If
Google.
me I go up Springfield, me just roll the left and come up on America then, right?
Yeah, but me, all right, me then near if you go to Jamaica Avenue side.
Oh, so you're the way up there, so all right. Nah, man, no,
Yeah,
all right then. Cool. Nah,
yes,
man.
man.
Nah, man, me I
Yes,
come
man.
check you, man. Me I come check
Yeah,
you,
man,
man.
Raga, you have to come in, come check me, man. Mr. Raga, I want to eat about this, man, What it,
All right,
hey,
people. Yo, Queens
sometimes the friend
people.
them all, they say, "Nico, tell me
Hold on,
about,
man.
tell me about."
Hold on. Queens people. You how long she there and her throat dry and she attack and all that thing there. She just keep it and I make right here. Nikki Couture Pan America. What the address?
10751 Merrick Boulevard.
All right, wait there between. What the street them wait there between?
It's as you pass 108,
Yeah.
like going back to Jamaica Avenue,
Yeah.
as you come over 108, there's a garage beside me, right there, General Arthur, right
Yeah.
beside there.
All right then. So people, if we're not, cause you know a beer Jamaican live over over that side there. We come all the way down to Springfield, gotta go over Rosedale. But here I know, so if we not go up on America towards Jamaica Avenue, you're up on the left then, right?
Yeah, going down, going
No,
up to
yes, I
Jamaica
go down, but if you go towards Jamaica, you go up. So if you go towards Jamaica Avenue, you're up on the left, right?
Yeah, me on the right, like going to Jamaica Avenue, I'm on the right.
You're on the right going to Jamaica. She's on the right going to Jamaica. Nikki Couture, man. I'm go make
with
sure.
The good clothes, them.
With the
quality
good clothes,
piece,
them.
bad
So I'm
piece,
go
them.
over there on the year, she vibes you and she keep it 100. Right? And if the clothes not go fit you, from what we hear or she talk, she go tell us, said, no, this no look good for you.
Me love money, you know, but this, you know, if the clothes don't look good for the customer, me say, Mama, no, I'm going to get something different.
Yeah, because you want the person when they goes and look good, them say, no, Nikki tell me right thing. So you want them come back and think, Nikki Couture on the Merrick, right? If you're going up the Merrick, she dep on the right. If you come down the Merrick, she go on the left and think. Big up yourself, Nikki.
No,
me come up there, come check you, man. Me come up there, come pass through, man.
Yes, man, you have to come, man. You have to come, man.
All right, it goes
I'm going to come at your party. Me carry the whole crew come at your party.
Bra.
Yeah,
well, you know, say what you did, so now it's relatively near to Amazon. Right down the block. Well, yeah, man, see it. Very nice. No, me I come up there, Nikki. Me I come up there, man.
Yeah, man, you have to come up there, man. For your Google Nikki Couture, it's going to come up, address everything.
All right, people, me say 2,000 down over here now and things, so no spread the word, you know. TamFam,
yes, man.
Remember, you know, from una listen to Raga, from una watch Raga, from una support Raga, from una listen show, you are in the TamFam. You're a TamFamer. So Nikki is a TamFamer right now. And TamFamer support, TamFamer. No, me don't want everybody come with them business and thing and whatever, you know. So it's a go, but me just say, you see how long she there attack? I'm telling you, say me I do this long, me know when me I do. Sometimes me not give me directions and thing. When see me just ease back and make it talk, and me just put in a little something or whatever. Cause she's that type of caller. When you have a caller like that, who vibes you and know how to talk, you see how she go whatever, and the whole thing entertaining and interesting. And you know she true, she tell based on the details them and thing. 100% true, right?
Hey, Raga.
Yeah.
This is the whole place. Them know. Hey, one be one before me left. One night me come home.
Me love you, see. Me love you already. You're the boss.
Raga,
yeah.
One night me come home. And me say, how the house looks so dark?
Yeah.
Every house that was getting I'm like, I mean, me like me cut off.
Yeah.
And me say, no, sir. Me and my daughter. So my daughter say, Mom, why is it the light not on in the house? Me say, but your father van in the yard there.
Yeah.
Boop. Me go through, open the gate and go in. Boop, me open the garage. But by time me go into the garage, he come out through the veranda gate.
Oh.
So, hear him to me now. Come here. You say, what happened to you, gentleman? I can't go out and fight me. Hear me now? Lend me a van. Me have one money to go collect over CLM from my brethren. I mean, I want to see me van. Me say, it's not look good. No, drive your van, Galang. But then when he got tell me about the money part, Me give him the van key.
Yeah.
But me say, when me give him the van key, for some reason me go in at the house. And me go in at the house, me lock the garage. What sure the man wicked, you know? You know, see the man have one girl in the house?
Of course. None of that are the card for send you wide when him come out, man. And I say, yo, let me kill him. I mean, if you go pick up a money or whatever, I know.
The man have one girl in the house downstairs. But here what happen now? When me go in at the house, can you have downstairs or the helpers quarter them there, you know?
Yeah.
Me smell one couscous cologne. So hear me now? Hear me to my daughter. I smell like dopey in so. What kind of dopey cologne is in your house?
Yeah. Yeah.
So she said, Mommy, this don't smell right. So me take up my machette now. So me figure there's something wrong, you know.
Yeah.
So me lock the grill.
Yeah.
Me come out through.
Yeah.
And me lock up everywhere. Me about 4 people that in our yard, you know.
Yeah.
Me start searching out. Me don't want to live in no more big house and backside with no man. What me say?
Right.
13-bedroom house, now do that again. A dopey story house.
13-bedroom house. So, but you know, easy, you know, once you send something, you just lock up everywhere right away, don't
Raga, me say, me lock everywhere. When me lock the place now, me say to my daughter, I say, go on upstairs. She said, no, I'm not leaving you. Wherever you go, I'm going to be there.
Seeing?
So I say, all right, then stay. Well, I remember with me through.
Yes, man, you can hear your cough and thing. Drink a little water, man. We are very patient.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So, Raga.
Yeah.
When me go in at the helper quarter, I said, the call one said, smell one associate me too. So, but me look at the bed and me look. I mean, no see nobody. So, me say, Shanice knows that me feel like me have to feed dog them on the back. Cause anything in here not dead tonight. The girl still not say nothing, you know.
After
the girl not the blouse and skirt bathroom. They hide. Raga, the girl not the bathroom, they hide.
Yeah.
They said me draw the curtain.
Yeah.
And she see me. Yeah, no, me explain myself. I said, explain yourself. I said, then you make the man gone left you. He said, the man here come and run gone. So me call the man, me say, where are they? Here you know? Him bridging left one girl over here, him bridging soon come back. So,
well, him say him brethren this. Well, when you call after you find her now, and she said, "Make me explain myself and whatever." So you call him right away and say, "Where you there?" And the first thing come out, and I say, "You know, so when I'm a brethren, they left a be over the yard and thing. Him soon come pick her up here.
Him soon come pick her up.
Yo, one thing do him full of yard, you know, but you always 5-10 step ahead of him."
Hey, me say. Me have said to him, say, dirty thinking big man. Long time almost big man. I mean, class him in a Raga.
You send him up.
Mr. Raga, me done class him, you know. He did it, and he said to me, say, Awa, you see her? He said, no, but the dog go see her now. Yeah, he dog bite up people, man. So me tell the girls to come out of the room.
Well on. Him say if you see her, the woman, right? And then you said, nah, me not see her, but the dog, them are going to name up that right now. And
right
then,
now.
and when him say right after that, when him say,
no, you can't the people, man.
The people and pick me.
Me and the girl go to school, she want twin.
Oh, she's one of a twin. One
of a twin.
Oh, so.
And Mr. A.
So well, hey. So she know you're good and know so you're there with him and thing. And what?
Remember, you know, Raga. Me's a young girl.
Yeah.
And it's not a hyperabose, but me there a big man where set me all right.
Right.
So guess what? Every young girl be a want to be.
Yes, man. Them see what I'm do for you and want that too. Yeah.
Them see me outside, but them don't know the inside.
Right.
You understand?
Yeah.
So me tell people say, when you don't see people with things, no grudge them.
For real.
You don't know what they undergo.
Yeah, but you go through with him, yeah.
Mama. So me say to the girls, say, Me name no one do you nothing, you know, but just go on my back where dog the film, you know. Yeah, yeah, me daughter.
You're
Yeah,
wicked. You're
yeah,
wicked.
my
What?
daughter, no. Yeah, my daughter. Mommy, you cannot do that. You say me can't do that. And she in there with your father. And your father run gone left her.
Yeah. They
So,
don't just go say, nah, make the dog then your man but that you
so me
say,
say,
right?
all right, come out. Come out of my yard. So by the time me say come out of my yard, she run going in the garage. So me lock down the garage same time and lock the door there. And go around and open the door and let out one of the blood clot dog in the yard, you know. In the yard, you know. So you can't come out. Him ball.
Well, so she in the garage and she a ball.
She in the garage and she back and she hear the dog go in the back.
Okay, one of the pit bull
So
them.
one of the pit bull me let out, you know. You know, let out the rest of them, you know. One of the pit bull me let out.
Yeah.
Here, Anna, please. Sorry. And next door, me did go to somebody and he see me and call me and talk to me. Me said, then if me ain't coming on there, fuck me. Here, Anna. No, we just know any while.
She said, no what?
Then just know them while.
Just I know them one another. So she said, they not do nothing yet.
Not do it yet. Me say, Raga, me did it, the man come now. He want to come in the garage and come me lock the garage now.
Yeah.
Me lock it from inside, so he never press the remote, it can't open.
Yeah.
And you drive out of the house, the key, see your van key in the house with the grill key. So you can't come in.
Right.
He beg. He said, Nicole, please don't do the girl. You don't do nothing to the girl.
Don't make it dog then, yeah, man. Yeah. Big fear. Big fear.
And the dog, me go make them the girl, you know. Yeah, do not do that, man. I go to jail. He said, to the jail, me I go. A jail, me I go. Yeah, man, a jail, me I go.
Yeah.
Yeah, no, man, not do that, man. You don't look good, man. He said, they look good to take a woman in the apartment again. This man have so much place in that woman go.
No, but you know, that is the very next question I'm going to ask you. Based on what you tell me about the G, why him never like have a little ramping shop one away? Him obviously have
Raga
the
the man of house, other places.
yeah,
and
him obviously have a
places.
little place and whatever. Him can get a little apartment furnished out nice and that's how you carry, you know?
Me say Raga, you think that Raga, me tell you me left him?
Eh?
Me tell people every day, God answers prayer.
What?
Every day me write in my diary, me beg God, me read my Bible,
Yeah.
me write in my Bible, and me say, Father God, do give me the strength. But guess what happened? What was my weakness? Because if me and him, man with camera got inbound shop now, you know. Drop out $10,000 US by diamond chain bracelet and then stick there, you know. And you see, me and him have an argument. Intro them and I tile it and flush them.
You're joking.
I dead ass. What's up, baby?
And him sure like the expensive jewelry, the 10,000 US jewelry and flush it.
Nothing is too expensive for him.
Damn.
He don't care. He consider that a vanity.
Oh.
So Raga, so when Mr. God me happy left this man, yeah. Anyway, me make up my mind, say me go left him. Raga, and the bodies never go in a bed from me and him there. Me go pa me eyelash, me go pa me nose, me go pa me teeth.
Be a style.
Me don't know where me not go pa.
You kill him with style.
Skeletal top. Me don't know why it's skeletal top. Raga, tell him say.
You give him the one that they give him the wickedest sort out you ever give a man, don't
in our life.
Yeah.
Hear the man to me now when he done now. You want to go to America to buy Gucci bag and Gucci sitting with your friend them. Me say, yeah man. But the morning now, even they go to Kingston. So me say, alright, this is the time to get to it. Raga, I cut every picture in our house, I cut in a two. I take me from my side and left him side. Raga, me move out everything out of the house for me. Me not take not more than me close them. I mean, they want not more than me close them. Raga, the man called me the morning. The man called me from him drive out to Westgate Hills till he reach a Kingston. And all him a call me, all him a call me dey do my business. And he tell me how he love me. And he's sorry and he never put me hand back on me.
I sense
And
him.
there's
I sense him
world.
sense it, you know. I sense him did sense it, you know. Say the
Listen,
move I go make, you know.
The man said there's nothing in this world he will do for hurt me again. And he's sorry. And he love me. And in this and in that, I say me love you too. And me not left you. But we just have to try to change things. You have to change your hand. He said, all right then. Raga, I move everything and I carry on me yard. You see, night?
Yeah.
He ma call me. Me nah answer until me finally answer. Alright, so I come in my yard. You have like, we have the initial in the front of the yard.
Mm-hmm.
For me and him name, Feeman and my daughter and my son name and my next Feem daughter when me raise the big one.
Mm-hmm.
And we name it. I lick out all for me name with the man. Me don't want nothing left for me.
Mm-hmm.
Raga only thing me left over there, I want a shirt, and me didn't realize I left the shirt.
Mm-hmm.
I said, come home, and he said, Nicole, I said, come home. And I open the gate, and I see the house look dark. From me there town, something and wave on from my body. And he said, when he come in, and he not see me, and he not see pick me them.
Mm-hmm.
I know you're no nights or nothing in the house.
Depression
he said the first thing
take him.
bring him downstairs. And the big picture what we have downstairs are cut in half. He said, see him and he not see me. You see, you can't see me coming down with me. Me left you.
You cut in half and take you and left him. You're half out of the picture, you left and left him. So him
Yeah.
say, me see me and me never see you from the picture what we did have there.
So, when he didn't call me, so me my talk now. So he say, where there? He said, let me tell you this. This is the end of it.
Mm-hmm.
I may not turn back.
Mm-hmm.
I will never turn back.
Mm-hmm.
So you could have buy me 10 car, 10 diamond chain, 10 anything, me not come back.
Yes, you reach a point there, yeah.
Raga, me never know me not have the strength to say, me go left and not come back. Because guess what? If me tell somebody say me left him, hear them, the call soon gone back.
Right.
But me tell God, say, God, please, give me the strength. Me didn't have money. Me didn't have money. Was never no issue. I didn't have as much money could I take care of myself and my kids. So me never turn back, Raga.
Right.
Not until today, me never turn back.
So
and then day,
yeah, and then you fly out after that, after that.
No man, long after that, me fly out.
Oh, okay.
Me fly out and come and fly and come, man.
Okay.
And guess what? He feel like say when go back, I never turn back.
Never go back.
You know when he turned to me and he tell me, say, when me left him, he turned to me and this will hurt me. He turned to me and he tell me, say, me must see you suffer.
Oh,
and me turned to him and said,
no.
Only a good woman wanna have sense with a live. They with a money man like you and suffer.
Right. No,
Raga,
that wasn't a nice thing to say, though. That wasn't a nice thing to say. You know?
Mr. Raga, if sure, only black there. If me see $10,000 something time me glad to come out for me. Me no idiot.
Yeah.
Your mother and father not teach me before.
Well, can you ever think of something around him for a long
you
time?
You must be an idiot, man, Raga.
Yeah.
You not feeling the think of that on what this cutlass.
Yeah, you that on workless cutlass. Well,
Mr. Raga, the man live down in the house 2 weeks straight.
Depression, man. Yeah, man. Depression, that man. Yeah.
Depression lick him down.
Yeah.
Till one man go over there and say, "Aye, you can't tell the big man to go beard."
Wow.
You go check the big man. The big man can't beard man in wrong.
Yeah. I go through
Mr.
it.
Look here. Me now look back there and Raga. So that the man is a good friend now, you know.
Very good.
Very good friend.
Very good.
Very good. I'm telling.
When them still in Jamaica, you know?
Your mother can't introduce him to America.
Oh, yeah, me know them people that you can't. But hear what me I say. This is the next time you talk to him. Tell him say Yan Raga did a reason and you know should I give him a little drama about on adventures and tell him say
Hey, listen, Raga,
well on
we
man,
know
well
somebody,
on
I'm
man.
going to send him this recording.
No man, this I might sure you know, so me I tell you this I go shot. This is guy already. Me know me and listen to me, I know. Just tell him say me I give him a ear. Big him up for me. You know? Tell him
Big him up here.
yeah man, just tell him say Raga say me give him a ear because the two I wanna go through it. The two I wanna
Yeah,
go
man, we
through
been
it.
through it, man.
Wanna go through it and thing. And Nicky me I go come. Me serious man. Me not give
No,
no
man,
jail
I
talk.
have to
Me
come.
I go
Nicky
pass.
Couture,
Nicky Couture.
10751 Merrick Boulevard.
10751 Merrick Boulevard, Nicky Couture, and thing, I'm
Yeah.
gonna roll to and thing, and big up yourself, you know, that's a word, you know.
Respect our manners, I know me not love this, I show you anytime soon.
All right, that's a word, and people see her thing, you know, go follow her to here, follow her pan the TikTok, yeah, you know, follow her and thing, see it? I'm gonna forward up the man, all right?
All right, respect.
Blessings, man, cool. Boy,
Yeah.
let me tell you something, man. I love Jamaica, you know. I love Jamaica, man. I just love Jamaica. But why? 2,100 on them. Let me check again. Clearly answer Raga from I stop watch TV news. Big up all of my London people, you know. Oh, Donna from Pembroke, them attack. Yeah, man, Donna from Pembroke, good man. They both see me and things, see? All right. Yeah, no. That look a major from Nicky, man, and thing. You see, you know, drama after drama, you know, so the thing just real. As Nicky a sample do, you know. John, but him did right though, you know, when him tell the brethren say, nah man, you say this a bad girl, you can't manage this a woman here, you know. You have to go let go this a woman here and give me this a woman here. This him know when him I say no. Him know when him I pick up God, him read the play from Nicky. But me chat to her from she young, say Nicky a warrior. Right? Nicky a warrior. Him know what is what. You understand? Yeah, also Anna K said Nicky is her next Donna. Okay, me get it now. Yeah, Donna from Pembroke. No, you're right, you know. She come in like Donna from Pembroke. I them way the Donna roll, you know. I them way the Donna roll when Donna moved to. When Donna there with her, you know, her man and all these things, different man them when she there, Donna war them. And you know who, well, not bad, but in terms of smart, I don't know if you remember like Foodie from Portland, you know, Foodie who forgot what she didn't name, man, and she and her sister used to call me, but she always, you know, when she catch her man and whatever, and she said she feel the car, if the car warm and thing and all that, look at something there. And what she did do, some look science, not science, but, you know, some little tricks of the trade where she did do and all them something there, you know. Yeah, no, but definitely, you know, Nicky remind me of Donna from Pembroke for real, you know. Donna from Pembroke, you know, that type of energy there, you know, bad girl something. Yeah, well, now back and thing, you know, and, you know, you look at drama till them can't take no more, I think, you know, but you just listen there, and, you know, so like, well, you know, them people, you're there around them and them not for perform, just them natural attitude and them natural behavior is just, you feel good when you're around them and, you know, them just full of vibes and have that something there, you know, so she definitely has that, you know, and we give thanks. But again, there's a Jamaican-ness to her where well, you know, from where we come from, you know, I thought ghetto, you know, working class Jamaica, you know, ghetto Jamaica, where we're prouder and thing and whatever, she have that something there, you know. We give thanks. Nicky, big up yourself, man. And yeah, me I go roll through, you know, your business and thing and whatever. Right. Oh, this go 100 cake soap can't clean your raga. I have, me don't know what that mean, you know, because that can be good or bad, you know. 100 cake soap can't clean me. I remember say when Jamaicans use cake soap, you use to cut the strong dirt, them, you know. A cake soap you use to cut the tough dirt, them, you know. Remember that, you know, before people start, cartel make people start use cake soap for look cool and thing. Jamaicans never used to beard with cake soap. Okay, right? When we grew up, all this cake soap never did blue. You understand? Right? As a cake soap, they just cut it, dirty dirt, them some. If she say 100 cakes soap can't clean me, then me no straight dirty ragga. Yo. And you know, somebody will see that and don't even know, say, but that is a compliment, you know, in our language, in our culture and whatever, that is a compliment, you know. Dirty ragga, me like you, say, 100 cake soap can't clean you. One dirty ragga, never two. Him dirty, see. Yeah, no. All right, yeah. Ragashanti live on TikTok, and I know say every evening, well, Mondays to Thursdays, we're there from about 6 to 9, all right? Okay? And sometimes we stay longer, right? Kimberly, don't start.
Hello.
Star boy, I don't say no. Greetings, where you going?
Here I go, where you going?
When there, I give thanks, you know, yeah, say.
One ragga and a two, no cake soap can't clean you.
You see?
Me like that.
Yeah, man, I love it, man. It's tough, you know? What you say?
Yeah, man, Nicky a ranking, man.
Yeah.
All right, ragga, me have one mix up figure now, but this is one that happened when me young.
Yes, man. Say that.
All right. I mean, one of the people them, because enough people know my voice on TikTok, you know.
Yeah.
Some one of the people them for know, say, before me change my life, this is what happened.
All right then, cool.
All right.
Yeah.
Ragga, me used to live a Mobile. When me live a Mobile now, me used to work at a hairdressing shop.
Yeah.
So the salesman from Spanish Town loved me off.
Mm-hmm.
So him used to come down like 2 or 3 times in the week.
Yes.
So him used to carry me out, man, and him and my auntie who owned the boutique was a very good friend.
Yes.
So my auntie, you know, say, yes, man, you like your man. You know, talk to him, man.
Yeah.
You know,
Yeah.
the days them me not have no man.
Right.
So, as me they tell you, Ragga,
Yeah.
the man used to carry me up and down, man, anywhere I go.
Yeah.
My auntie used to allow me to go with him.
Yeah.
So, Negril and all them places because he do sales. So, we go all over the island now to take, you know, accounts.
Yes.
All right.
Yeah.
What used to happen now, Ragga, me used to, like, me get the off now, me used to go with him at Spanish Town, come down the next morning, and so forth.
Yes.
So, Ragga, things start get serious now.
Mm-hmm.
And, you know, the man start want wife me up.
Yeah.
But, Ragga, me notice, you know, the man bigger than me, you know, but the man can start out.
Oh, him start to turn up.
Yes, man.
Yeah.
But rather, in my sense, you know, can be smart from young, you know.
Mm-hmm.
I say, you know, that man, it's sort of different. There's something different about it, but me used to enjoy it.
Mm-hmm.
So me as a girl, no, me no make the house stay in a one condition all the time. Me always turn up the furniture them in the house.
Right.
So one day now, me I clean the house, man, and in the closet, and you know, when you're a new girl and you started to get into things, and you started fitting, so you started to feel like a woman at home now. So you started to own your own.
Yeah.
Because the man tell me, say, you know, him did married, but him divorced and so forth.
Yeah.
You know, for you're a young girl, you and him they go on for a while, 4 months, and so you know, see no signs of nobody else, so you feel comfortable.
Yeah.
All right. Ragga, one day, I clean up, man, I'm in my closet, and I clean up, and I, you know, cobweb down, and I rearrange clothes and start hang up for me clothes them now because me turn the woman at the yard.
Woman a yard now. What you mean?
Yes, yeah. Woman now.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm. So, Ragga, when me feel in our coat pocket, when me look at one ring, so, when me look at it, I go to the ring and me look at the ring, it's a wedding ring. Remember, I know a man tell me, say, in divorce, he not married no more.
Right.
Okay. So, when I'm looking at the jacket pocket, is the ring in the jacket pocket. So, I take it out and I look and I say, okay, wedding ring, you know, in divorce, him take it off and put it in there.
Yeah.
But Ragga, there was something about that was just hanging on to me.
Mm-hmm.
But Ragga, because it start out so good, me don't want to break the union, you know.
Right.
Me don't want to break the thing, me don't want to start the miserableness.
Right.
So Ragga, Raga, me did and me clean up and me clean up and me clean up. Raga, there was a secret place in a closet. You know, piece of plywood up at the top. So it's like me they clean and me push the thing and then it slide away. Raga, when me look, Raga, see all different kind of this here gel, that the gel, all different kind of, you know, gel what you put on thing to make it sturdy, to make it strong.
Yeah.
So, me
A
say,
whole heap of sex related gel
yes,
for
Raga,
put on him
yes,
instrument for this and that and that and that and what they
yes,
up in a
Raga.
closet there. About how
Yes,
old
sir.
he was that time there? About how old he was that time?
I was about 55, you know, 60 then.
Yeah. So the gel
So
them
to
have
the
some
start out
oil
when
up
me did
on.
again,
Yeah.
me I said, no, sir.
Yeah.
And Raga, the brother wasn't so good looking neither, you know. The brother wasn't so handsome at all. But me
Okay.
tell you something, Raga, in the time, the money was good and the start out was good.
Yeah, but him wasn't eye candy. Him wasn't like, you know, it wasn't a pleasure
No,
to
it's not
look
eye
at.
catching.
Yeah, it wasn't a pleasure.
And to be honest,
Yeah.
Raga,
Yeah.
it's not that him not eye catching. But him did meet in an accident and something happened to his face.
Oh, okay.
Yes. So in did kinda, you know,
Yeah.
his face did kinda, you know.
Yeah, somebody have to work within the looks part.
Yes,
Yes.
man.
All right.
But him ways, Raga, him ways,
Yeah.
him attentive, him one like him a husband.
Yes,
You know?
man. Nice. Yeah.
He carry me to places, he make me know places, he buy things to me.
Sure.
Mr. Raga, this man would all come out of the, when him stop at places with me,
Yeah.
like him a go take up one different account.
Yeah.
He come on and him open me door. So Raga, you know, the girl being me, you know, when me grow up, I used to them.
You
them
know,
like
you see them as something and them kind of
No.
gentleman treatment that open my door
Yes,
and
man.
all these
So me
things.
say, okay.
Yeah.
They always hear say, you know, town man, a gentleman them.
Yes,
So
them,
me
yes.
say,
Town man a
okay.
nice man.
So me say, okay. You understand? Me hold on to this man.
Right.
And me say, Raga, he carry me at some places, like upper Ellis, flat upper them places.
Wow.
People.
So tell me now, so hold on. So after you see that they sitting on the gel them and thing, what happened after that?
Okay. After me see the jail them also, as me tell you, so me never want to break the unity. You understand? So in my head now, me say, okay, so at the jail them I use make him go on. So you know, so bad. So what me do, Jack Raga, me move them. Remember, you know, you can't come ask me no question, you know. You understand? And me notice no Raga for that the week there. The performance drop.
What you move them for?
No, Raga, remember, you know, we in a relationship, you know, we're supposed to be honest. And this man a go on, like I said, him a God when he come out to the bed. So me say, me want to see if I enhancing these things that enhancing performance are him really good, sir.
Okay, all right.
You understand? So when me move the thing, them remember, you know, he can't ask me for them in a Raga because you know he go just give himself say okay, and the drugs them make him a go answer.
Yeah.
So we were going till the weekend, man. He started getting miserable, and I said, listen, you move up the house and we have some things when we put on and now, man, and we can't find them. And so me bust out and me say, what you talk about? You're performing jail them.
And when you say?
So Raga him did the Raga answer till him a try deny. But when me did and attack him out and me a quote him. And me say, listen, you don't have to shame man because guess what?
Right.
You up in that ear, go up in that ear, you know, young like we. You know, me start to talk him and me start to talk him. You know, and then he come to realization and say, me not really vet.
Right.
You understand?
Right.
But he tell me the truth.
Right.
All right. Raga, we start and we in the relationship now and things are gone. Until we're there together about a year and a half.
Uh-huh.
So you just feel like I say, okay, I feel me man no car. Me don't have no sign of nobody.
Uh-huh.
They come there or anything.
Right.
So me start go from country now to Spanish town, from Spanish town now to country.
Mm-hmm.
Because me have me 3 children in a country enough, so me can live up a town there. So.
Right.
So when me get me day off now, me that spend it up there.
Right.
You understand?
Right.
Or not all of me day off, but you know you going
No, but in the interest of time, yeah, like what happened after that?
Okay.
Yeah.
So Raga, I go tell you now, oh me know say no him a cheat for me.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, but give it a
And
mix up
things-
direct, yeah.
Yes, as things go on, Raga, and we get to understand say we there with each other and we are going and we are doing things. One weekend now, me go now, me turn up the house. When me turn up the furniture them in the house, Raga.
Mm-hmm.
Hey, me come down next weekend, me go the furniture them in the house, turn back the other way. So me say, watch ya. Me say to him, say, me no want call him name. Me say to him, say, look here. And last week me come, me turn up the house. So how furniture them turn back, turn around and back.
Yeah.
So you have somebody else that come here. He said, no, baby. How me have somebody else that come here? You're my queen.
Uh-huh.
And me say, Raga, me say, me never feel comfortable with it. And me say, okay, all right.
Yeah.
Me say to him, say, when I'm a child sick, I have to go down this weekend. But
Yeah.
I never plan to go down the weekend, in a Raga.
Right.
My plan to go down in the week.
Right.
Now the next week when they come.
Yeah.
So me say when I'm a children, when I'm a child sick, I have to go down because me get a call.
Yeah.
You understand?
Yeah.
And he must say, oh, you fi go down, man, I am plan to go down next week. But in a me head, rather me the plan say, okay, oh, fi catch, I have to find out what they want.
Yeah.
So Raga, me say, all right. Me cook the breakfast the morning and him eat and him gone to work. But he's a man, he have a habit.
Yeah.
He's a habitual person. He will come in, he put on key one place, he have a special time in, he come
But
in.
darling, me I beg you, it's true, me did talk to Nikki and we talk to Nikki long. Them a cuss me, I say, look the Raga and I say, everybody I come, them I got to give you a long story and thing or whatever.
Raga, me have got give you one, this one I want next time then.
Yeah, because, them they are pepper me and a cuss me.
You mash up with him this evening, man. All right, we're going to mix up one next evening. Because
all right.
Raga, me tell us the thing nice, man.
Okay.
The end the night, nice, man.
No, but you want him, end up stay for a while, live together for a while and thing, and then what you find out why him did married or did still married or what? Me just want to know that part.
He did have another girl, Raga. But me tell us, Raga, this a part I end up, it's like a movie, man. I go call early one next evening and take you up from where me left this evening.
No, if you can't tell, we quick and thing, because, you see through Nikki talk and whatever, and you see how radio run, it's like unconsciously other callers will say, okay, me can't come give my story the way how Nikki give for your story. And
no, me not be told.
No, but just tell me, just tell me how it end up, yeah.
Okay. All right, Raga. Me write a letter and tell him, say, in the morning after we cook breakfast, and he gone, me write a letter and tell him, say, me I go down.
Yeah.
So he must say to me, say, oh, you have to go down and so forth and so on. And me say, anyway, me left your key on the dresser because me not believe, say, you not have another girl. Me believe, say, it's a woman change up the house. And me dey go down and me and you left. So me left the key. Me go left the key on the dresser.
Right.
That was a trap, Raga. Because me know say when me say me left the key on the dresser, he go come in. Come take up the key if somebody else say come in.
Right. Oh, okay.
Me take up all of my clothes them and me throw them down under the same closet, the hiding place where I have this. So me take up everything. What will be evidence to me and me throw them down under this. Me take the 28 machete and me carry under the bed with me and me slide under the bed bottom.
What, the 28 machete?
Yes, Raga. You have different machete.
Yeah.
Different blend
But
machete.
the 28 are the big one, though.
Yes, the long one.
The long one. I know bill,
yes.
But the long one. Yeah, go on.
Not the bill, the longer one.
The longer one, right, yeah.
So me say, all right. Me say, if everything all right, me go see 4 foot come in later. But if everything not alright, me go see 6 foot.
Yeah.
Alright, cause 4 foot now are him and his son. But 6 foot now would have be him and next woman and his son.
Right.
Alright. So Raga, me slide under the bed. Because me know say he must come back and check if me gone for true.
Right.
When me reach a flat bridge now, they come now, me call him and me say, me gone, you know. Me gone. Me know did it. Remember, you know, the flat bridge when me reach is under the bed.
Right. Oh, so you tell him say you're there flat bridge, but
Yes.
you there under the bed.
Say me
Yeah.
there flat bridge.
Yeah.
Me know did it.
Yeah.
Alright, Raga. Raga, 1 o'clock when me look. And the man roll in at the driveway. That time me fly under the bed, you know.
Yeah.
And the machete under the bed.
With the
He
28
come in.
machine.
Yes, I come in.
Yeah.
And he take up, me left one letter on the dresser. Say, look here, me no believe, and me gone back to me man a country, and you know, fi hype him up,
Yeah.
fi set him up, alright. Me left all the key on the dresser, so him know, say, me can't come back in the house, so I gone, me gone.
Right.
Him search the house, Raga, and him look round if him see nothing for me. He no see nothing for me, and he start grumble some things, and him gone. Because Raga, how fast me go under the bed, me left all the fan on. You understand here, me start to crumble, so the woman left the fan on and he not able to lock it off. Anyway, Raga, me in the house and me sit there and me wait. 8 o'clock, as he is a man of habit, you know. 8 o'clock, bam, pan the clock, in drive in. Me say, all right, Raga, me did there, me fly back under the bed. Raga, when me under the bed, no, when me look, 2 foot coming, the little boy. When me look again, Raga, 2 more foot, him. When me look, Raga, 2 more foot coming.
Yes.
The woman.
Yes.
Me say, yes, Raga, the show start.
Yes.
Me say, Raga, the woman, familiar the place until the woman gone in the, you know, say, a Spanish town, they know, they got them backs on the gate.
Yes.
So
Yeah.
the woman gone check now on the gate now if letter come or whatever.
What? That's what she there? Yeah.
Yes, Mr. Raga, she well comfortable, man.
Mhm.
Mr. Raga, the man him take off him pants now. When he take off his pants at bedside now, cause I run him around to bathroom, they know, you know.
Mhm.
So me hear the woman ask him the same question, Raga. So the other day me come clean up the house and so. And me change up the furniture. And the furniture them change again. He give the woman the same excuse. One place when they leak and you have to move the settee.
Yeah.
Say, okay, so we are idiot around here.
Right.
Tell me under bed in a Raga.
Yeah.
Raga, me is a woman, me not like nobody sit down on my bed. Him gone a bathroom, they know in a Raga. The woman come in and they make herself comfortable. And I say, oh, me I go cook, you know. Where you want me cook? Saltfish and yam.
Yeah.
So she go to the stove now that I make already cooking a Raga. She go there, she see food out there in a pot. She said to him, say, oh, you went cook before you left? Yes, man, me did cook. That I lied, man, you know. That time mommy cook the food and left there in a Raga.
Yeah.
Mr. Raga, the woman's, him gone a bathroom in a Raga, the woman sit down on the bed. Raga, me get in a one temper, Raga, and me ice up the mattress. I remember me lay down on that bed, you know. And me trang, you know, Raga.
Yeah.
So me ice up the mattress in the ear.
So you just reel up on thing and
Me
thing.
just
Reel up on the
Raga.
mattress. Yeah.
With all the passion in me, not Raga, me just reel up the machine and come out from under the bed in a Raga. Raga, when me come out from, when you, because remember, you know, in the bathroom, you know, the nice they make with the water in there, you know.
Yeah.
Yes, and he needed a whistling, you know, because guess what? He must set up himself now if he go get start out, you know, man.
Yeah.
Because me gone, you know, man.
Yeah.
Raga, me come out from under the bed with the machete and me see the girl, me call her by her name. Because me did get to understand who she is. And me said to her, I said, why are they doing that? And even so, the man call her name enough time in her house.
Yeah. Yeah.
So
when she no man, just go focus on it. So when you go so boom now with the man reel up with the machete now and your car, what she do? What you say to her?
Me come out from under bed, Raga, me say, why you do ya? She starts stammering and said to me, say, why you carry me come here and me think say me didn't want to come and me say, hear me now, here go down tonight. Either me and you beat him or you and him beat me. He say, so, how you don't go down now?
Yeah.
He say, anyway you're there, me there.
Who says so?
All right, me say,
We,
that's a girl.
the girl
So
say,
me-
anyway,
me
you
so-
there, me that mean that she gonna beat him with you.
Yes, that means
What
that you're
a
gonna
wicked
join
girl,
with me
man.
and beat her.
Yeah.
Remember, I know she did it for her life, you know, Raga, cause me serious, you know.
Yeah, God, she say you're serious
Raga,
with the
me raise
28th.
the machete and me give her one out of it.
What?
You understand?
What? You
When
get
me
her?
give her one out of it, she squeal out.
All right,
say
hold
classic.
on. Sometimes people don't know when Jamaican. When she say one out tight, she mean she slap her with the machete, not chop her. She slap her with the machete.
No, me not chop her, me
You
slap
slap her
her.
with the machete. All right, we just want that to be clear. So you slap her with the machete and
Me
machete
slap her
no
upon
nothing
her hand,
normal.
so.
Yeah.
When her hand, so with the machete.
Right there,
When me
so.
slap her upon her hand with the machete now, she start make a sound. So me say, the man I go here, cause me no want the man know say me in at the house. So me put me hand over my mouth and me say, hey girl, mind your mouth, you know. Because if you ever make him know say me there, you know. One of we are dead tonight.
And then what happened after that?
Me say, Raga, me go in the bathroom. When me go, no, me throw the key. Me throw the key through the window. Cause remember, I know the man drop off in pants at ground. Right in front of the bedside.
Yeah.
So me take up the key now and me throw it through the window. You understand? That means that none of we can come out of the house. You all will lock up in the house. All right, Raga, me go in the bathroom. When me go in the bathroom, the man in there naked and in the bed and so. And Raga, when me go in there, when me pull where the curtain, thinks that the girl they come now. Me grab up and see them, Raga. Me grab him and I see them, Raga. And me hold him machine. And me say, if you say, hey, me chop off this tonight. Raga, you see when the man see me, me they tell us, man, if the bathroom could have cracked in a 2 and open.
Yeah.
You understand? He stammer and they tremble everything. Me say when me hear Nicky's story today, me I say, trust me, I something like me. You understand? And Raga me pull him by him bars and go back in the room. That time the girl in the room, you know, Raga. Cause me feel say the girl would have come out, you know, and try if it, you know, try if it get at me or try if it, you know.
Yeah.
She slung in the room in the ball.
She sit in her room about. I saw you hold him by him balls and I pull him out. So when you pull him out, what am I do?
He might follow me, Raga. Remember, you know, me hold him and I see that, so, you know, Raga. And the private in my hand, you know, and me they lead him towards the room, you know, because remember, saying panic, you know, Raga.
Yeah.
Kind of expect me to do you know, man.
Right. So I mean, I shock you now. You have the machete, you have the 28 there with him.
Yes, Raga.
And then,
and
yeah.
You see, they know me, no, Raga. You see, them call me by my name.
Oh.
In the chat.
No, pay the chat. Just finish talk to me, yeah.
And me say, Raga, me going out the room with the man and me start to question the man and me start to say, this you want to do me. And you know, you tell me lie, you take me from country, you carry me come here, so. And Raga, me they tell you something, me do the man bad the night. Me beat up the man the night, bad. And me say, so me say to the girl, so me say, you say, I'm here, you go do it. So lick him. Hey, you're too deceptive. Me say, you have to lick him hard. You know, you understand? And she did it. You know, you could have cost me my life. And Mr. Raga, me raise the machine. And me say, my girl, I say, you beat man. I say, you beat man, my girl. All right, Raga, me started to go. But the little boy, no Raga, come around, no Raga, and he started to cry.
Right.
You understand?
Right.
When the little boy come around now and started to cry, no Raga. That time me Raga, me damage him bad. You understand? Me really damage him bad because me lick him up in the one. Because me strong in a Raga. You want strong piece of woman, you know.
Yeah.
You understand?
Yeah.
And all the other girls they do. She look a place to come out or they look. You understand? Because a woman can catch you in her house, you just want to get away.
Yeah.
But no, when not there, get away.
Yeah.
And Raga, you me did the man and me angry the man until about 3 o'clock in the morning.
Yeah.
So the girl know, she call one of the man nephew know. And the nephew come man and take up the key and open the door. And Raga, as so comes, me left now and go one of my cousin at the before the morning there so. Raga, do you believe me say by time me fi reach back at Hanover where me live, the man in my bed?
Him reach down at Hanover, in your bed?
In my bed, Raga, with the hand plaster up. So me My mother called me same time and said to me, say, why me do the man like that? Because the man make complain, say me broke his hand. You understand?
Yeah.
So me say, when me come up and me see me in the house, me say, why you do ya? Why you do ya? After why you deceive me, why you do me out? So me broke his hand, so who fi be the man, who fi take care of him?
Seeing. One of me link from over them side, they say, no, you're not true, you tell.
Look here, Raga, me no need to tell no lie, man. I told me cut his story short, man. Me chop his story short.
Yeah.
You understand?
Nah, man, big up yourself, man. I say a word, man. All right, you survive that one. The be a drama with the 28 and all these
So
things.
me I tell you, say, Raga, punchy girl go to Spanish Town, go bad up Spanish Town and come back.
And you know, say Spanish Town woman, them a bad girl, them, you know, and whatever. So
I tell you, Raga,
you
me I
angle your
tell you.
business. Big up yourself, man. All right.
Yes, Raga.
Blessings, man. Cool. Yeah. All I wanna who I watch right now, you know, follow me right now. Fine. Master said, I can't believe me find your account. You don't have to tell me to follow you. Leo Barcelona, it goes both ways. You not follow nobody. Leo, come out and chat and go about your business. Go about your blood clot business. That's what someone come here when you look foolish. Leo, go man. Hey, some people can't just get me. Leo, go man. We don't want you over here, man. Imagine you do your show, a regular thing, people do them show and whatever. You see me, I'm a follower goal and whatever, and come here with them negativity now. Oh, some have 80,000 people now, some me go through on everybody account and follow. Leo, go man, we don't want you over here, say, man, go clean your dirty bathroom and thing. You come over here, say, with your hungry belly self, I chat friggery. Leo, don't get it twisted. We say follow me because I have the goal and whatever, but we're not beg friend over here, you know, Leo. Go man and go about your business, man. And left from here, so. Yeah, you know, some people just search for negativity, you know. Them just search for something negative and thing. And them statement, no logic, no dead, and it don't even sound and whatever. Come on, take anybody I run them live, them say follow me and take the live and whatever. Come on, something like that. Oh, you have to follow me, but then you don't follow the people. And go from here, Salia, man. I bet you say you stay bad. I'm going to come favor Koro. Leave. You don't need for over here. Also, some of them come and even do them just upstore your spirit and whatever, you know. But my day after them, you know. My day after them. Them people, them just come and something and juggle and them just go out of them way. It's like a natural order with them, you know. Them will see our energy over here. Some with their vibe and the thing positive and whatever. And somehow in a theme mind, you know, something trigger him. Something trigger him. Say, oh, now these people over here, 2,000 odd people over here, and look how much people are following. So something just trigger in at him. Say, he might get all this follow. Let me just say something negative about him because, and when he might say, it's just stupid. It's dumb. And not him at Barcelona, and Barcelona my team, you know. I like Barcelona, you know, whatever. My football team from Europe side, you know. Because I started a match, bro, at Barcelona fan, you know, from Messi days and thing and whatever. Yeah, and stop cheering for Barcelona too, man. Yeah, stop cheering for Barcelona too, because you now move right, Leo. Yeah, move mucky. So go over one different side, man. Go cheer for Real Madrid. Love Barcelona, man. Because I don't want you for our team. Go, man. Yeah. Leo, lift up. Lego from here. We not feature you. Anybody come with an arms house to Shanette, big up yourself. Anybody come with an arms house to I saw we have a pepper on to see him, man. Go, man. Then me want to ask people to follow me on people. Listen, everybody who not follow me yet, follow me now. Follow Ragashanti right now. I make it burn them. I make it burn nasty, Leo. Probably still a piss in the enamel chimney you come here, so come out. I me make you miserable. I saw so if I say him say a joke, Raga. I never joke. I fix it up now. I never no joke. I never no joke. Him did serious. I never no joke. All right. No, man, I behave myself. No, man. No, man, I behave myself. No. Oh, God, man. Oh, God. I don't have to make a case. All of you who used to listen to me back in the day, no. I was very different then. Me did terrible then. You know that, you know. And, you know, yeah, it's a whole different Raga now, you know. All right? But we don't want nobody to get it twisted certain way and come, you know. And come go on like say they want to come over here, so we don't want them look, you know? We don't want that, you know? Somebody said, Tiana said, I am new to Raga. You're new to the thing. Don't worry yourself, man. Welcome to the family. You're not officially a TamFamer. It's about the Tambourine family, TamFam, right? And from your juggler with Raga, you're a TamFamer. All right. Yes, Leo. And it's all born here too. People big up on themselves, you know, I say, yeah, remember now my birthday party, want to save the date, Saturday, September 20th, Amazura Concert Hall, right? Amazura in a Queens and thing. At this party, the Ragabash, Amazura, want to just roll out and come and join yourself that night there, right? I don't put out physical tickets yet and thing, but them are going to go out within a week, but tickets are available at Eventbrite. You go to eventbrite.com. Craig Tan, big up yourself. All of my London link, larger. You see that the man there? Craig Tan, you see him right there? Every Ragabash, we keep the man fly from London come the party them. So then the man that's flying come the party and fly out the next morning and gone and whatever, right? Me just give thanks to people like that. You see what I say? Yeah, them type of support there and thing from me and juggle years from New Start 93 FM days, them Monday, you know, them say TamFam. So big up all TamFamers, right? Ladies say Raga me have to go come. It a go nice, man. It a go nice. Trust me, it a go nice. Yeah, man, Ragabasha keep this year, Saturday, September 20th, Amazura, Queens, New York, and things, see, now, I don't know all the New York boroughs them come up, but that's something where people flying for all over. Baltimore, I go there, you don't know, so Florida, I go there, the Jamaica crew, I go there, the London crew, I go there, the Cali crew, I go there, and things, and so forth, see? But East Coast ever lack it again, see? Christina Brown Sugar post it there, Ragabasha, Saturday, September 20th, Amazura, Queens, New York, Ragashanti birthday party, good music, glamour win. I go there, right? And I see the lady calling one day and she want a piece of glamour and all these things. I'm going to tell her if you link me because me just making link for her. There. DJ Crisscross, you know, I'm not left out my little brother when it come to them something then. Not because I'm a little brother, my little, you know, proverbial brother and thing like that. But he's incredibly talented when it comes to the selecting and thing. You know that. Then whole I know that and sitting, all right? Glamour Wayne, DJ Crisscross, DJ Roy. I go play a two and things. So you know, the music lock and seal and turn right up, right? Jimmy Q and thing and Brown Bass, I got lock it off and thing. I don't know, so from a raga party and thing, people come through, selector come through and thing, all kind of people are going to roll through. So looking forward to seeing you all there. Again, save the date and get there Saturday, September 20th, Ragabash. And again, tickets are available online at eventbrite.com. The base admission is $40. But when you go to Eventbrite, you're going to see them charge 44 card and put on for them look much and thing. Seeing? So, and then you have VIP and Ultra VIP and sitting, all right? So, It's a nice people. Ragabash always nice. Always up on things, see? We have some legendary ones and things. Big up Beanie Man and all them people who did make the early one them turn over, and thing. Lady Sana and them people. Big up yourself, go by Lady Sana and more, but respect and honor and thing, Lisa Hype, you don't know Aisha and the whole crew and thing. You know on yourself, man. Big up on yourself, all right? Everything is everything. In the meantime, Monche, I see you, I'm from I see you're right. You can't tell, say you're not beard, But, I hear a thing that, you're in the SDC, I'm afraid of soap and all them something they do. All right, tap up your live, like the live. Just tap the screen, same way. Just tap the screen and like the live. And follow me if you're not follow me yet. All right, I make it bun Leo. Leo Barcelona, I make it bun him. All right. Leo, look how much follow me I get. It hurt you, Tabada you down. Tabada you down, Leo. Leo. Tabada you down. Jano. Alright, we could juggle at what time? Well, look, I have to go stay a little later tonight, so past 9 o'clock, we see what I go on, you understand? I'm bringing some people here, Mix up with saying, juggle, we are juggle, down. Let's go. Greetings, hello.
Raga make it faster. Jesus Christ, they are waiting for Raga to cut it off. It sound like she a eat chip.
Yeah, it sound like she a crunch up something,
Raga cookie, Raga.
Weird! Cookie, are you the Cookie! Cookie, wagwan, Cookie.
We there, Raga. We can't say too long. We never.
I understand. Why is that joy for your voice, Putus? Is that joy for you?
Yeah, tear up TikTok,
I lie, that a go on.
Mr. Raga, them post just the mix up.
Yeah.
Me say all 2 hours straight, me and listen and work and then we laugh. The most things say me mad.
God, we there, man. We there, juggle, man. This is what I do. You know that for a long time.
Holy foundation, Raga, in the chat, holy foundation. Have fun.
You see, TamFam we say straight, nah switch, They the thing hot again, don't.
Yeah, man, you have to go. Right.
All right, then, Cookies. I jive for your voice, Full blessings, Yeah, man, TamFam straight. Cookie, bless up yourself, here. Manners,
right,
yeah, man. When I'm a foundation people in there, man. One TamFam. Remember, if you watch this right, I had listen to the show at evening time, you're in at the TamFam scene, you go TamFam events, you are a TamFamer, right? Tambourine family, TamFam. You see what I say? That's all the thing. That's a big up on yourself, big up all TamFamers. You understand? Big up the whole of TamFam far, TamFam near. See it there? CBS make them know, yes. That's all the thing there. Munch, big up, ANC crew large up on yourself. SDC, same way. Hello. Hello.
Hello.
Hello. Hello.
Good night, Mr. Ragashanti.
Good night.
Why, Mr. Raga? Trust me. We always are taking your program for you there, Jamaica.
Yeah.
And you make me laugh for night time, so you used to come in later night time,
Yeah.
Yes, man, you make me laugh and we feel happy when we join up on the radio, and so we just love your vibes.
Blessings, man. Give thanks.
Yes,
thanks.
man. But me I take you in from last week,
Uh-huh.
As Evelyn comes up.
Yes.
Me have to take your in, man.
All right, my day, man.
Enjoy the program, but here we go on.
Talk to me.
Next week, Monday night, when you come, I'm going to give you a mix up with my brother here.
Yes, all right.
You're going to give you a mix up, man.
So why you have to wait till next week, Monday?
Eh?
Why you have to wait till next week, Monday? You can't give
we
it
send the live go give man, so we don't know if he never on the live. Share the live.
All right. So you have to make
All right, bless up yourself.
Yeah, man. All right.
We'll continue to listen to you, right?
All right, man. Blessings. Here, give thanks.
Blessings.
Okay, cool. Hello.
Hi, Raga.
No, me no want to boast say I am whatever, you know. Me just want to know say.
Me just come because you
No, if you come for cuss me just want you know say me call Donald Trump and you don't play with me. Okay? Me call Donald Trump and you don't play with me because that means nobody coming over. Hi Raga and whatever cause you're wicked, you probably come over yourself to come war me.
Oh. Yeah, war me come to war you.
War me for what? Where you come war me say what?
I tell you something, Raga.
Yeah.
You know what you just said a while ago?
You mean earlier?
Yes.
No, Mr. From the way you're posting it look like your beard. And we know say here look a problem that you malice your bathroom.
What else did you say?
You malice your bathroom and when your mother give you soap and thing, you box them up and kick them up and run them. What me say after that, eh?
You say I'm from SDC and we don't like this.
Well, that me. Well, SDC me say. Well, no. SDC me say?
Yes.
You serious at SDC me say?
I am so serious.
No, man, that is a terrible mistake, man. That is a terrible mistake. Memory Lane, Jamaica, big up yourself.
Well, you know, say I don't like beard.
Whatever, man. ANC we did for say. ANC we did for say. And people, if you don't know, not found over TikTok, or they probably don't know, you have the Spray Them crew that I am a part of, right, in a TamFam. And you have the ANC, which is the Ansness crew, right? We even have Sports Day.
Right, sis?
And then beat we. Yeah, the ANC beat we. But the only reason why them beat we, them bring them picnic and them fast and talented like our, right? Especially one little girl when named Taylor, she would have killed we. You understand? And that's why the ANC them win. And SDC never win and whatever. But anyway, we're always at it, right? TamFam straight, you know, but SDC and ANC.
After the truth come out, it's okay.
Whatever, man. Me I wonder why she call in, when she come in and whatever. Me say, when she come with, so me really gonna make that mistake there. Slip my mouth slip. Slip my mouth slip. All right?
Don't be the first.
And you know, say, what? Nah. Ragga mouth not slip, you know. Right?
Your mouth always slip on the line.
No, on the line.
Yeah.
Okay, but that's why you know, say ragga mouth don't slip. We don't have a slipping mouth around here, okay? Yeah, we don't have a slipping mouth. Leave that to dog bite. Leave that to dog bite and to fox. I feel them mouths.
No. You have to leave fox alone.
Yeah, a fox mouth slip
you
and
need
dog
to leave
bite.
her alone. Thank you
and
very
dog
much.
bite mouth slip and whatever.
No,
you don't
need
know.
to leave fox alone.
Yeah, you don't know the drill. Come on, let's read up and say, Ragga with the innocent mouth, say it. Say it.
Okay.
You can say it. Come on.
Ragga
Don't
with
fight.
the slippery mouth.
Ragga with the innocent mouth. Okay.
Ragga with the slippery
Well,
mouth.
you can go and say what you want to say, mama. Now look at you, you know. What go on, my friend? She gone? What ya? I mean, they get a good yell and all these things and she gone. Anyway, big up yourself, you know, Munchi. All right, and big up your crew, ANC. Greetings, good evening.
Good evening. I mean, not the story, but we just want to say thank you for all that you do, and just keep up the good work.
Oh, that's
and
really
there's so much years you've been relevant, and you're still relevant in the 2025. So that's a big deal.
Oh, you took the time to just give me a look of flowers and some blessings. I think I thank you. I humbly receive the blessings with grace. I thank you. Blessings and respect. All right?
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man. Enough love, man. Protection. Cool. That was really sweet of her. You know, people take a look at time figure, look on them something there. You got to be thankful. Greetings. Hello? Hello?
Hello, good night.
Good night.
I want to tell you to big up yourself for what you're doing. I always watch you all the time.
All right, then blessings here.
Just come and make you big up yourself.
All right, then cool. Here.
You were so jokify.
Jokify. All right, then blessings.
Have a good night.
Yeah, man. Thank you, man. Cool.
Yeah.
All right, people. I'm not being rude and thing. But big up on yourself, and thanks for the, the love and thing and whatever and so forth and thing. And I want to see if I can get some more mix up before me leave. Cause I soon leave. I not stay all night. I soon leave, so I could see if we can get, just link me with some mix up and thing before we leave for the entertainment pleasure of the people here. Hello.
Hello.
Hello. Yeah, wagwan.
Wagwan, Raga.
Some day I give thanks, proper thanks.
Yeah. Blessings. Big up yourself, Raga. You're the real boss.
Seeing.
All right. Tamara, this from Canada. You know about me, I have to big you up.
Yeah.
You're the real general. A long time you listen to you.
See
From
this?
high school days, Raga.
Yeah. You see, and they are juggle same way, don't?
Yeah, man. God bless and respect.
Manners, man. Protection here.
Yeah, man. Take care.
Yeah, man. Cool.
Yeah, Raga.
Yeah, what's up?
You know, so back in the days when I'm much younger,
Mm-hmm.
but there was one boy.
Yeah.
The boy said my security, you know.
Mm-hmm.
So me and him a juggle. So, the get-go, me ask him, or him stay, him live at Bower. So me asked him if him alone live. Him
If
say,
people who don't know, that's Bower Banks in Kingston off Windward Road. Go on.
Yeah, so me asked him if him alone live. Him say, yeah, him alone live.
Mm-hmm.
So I say, all right, but to Bower bad place now. I say, I not go down there, so I can't put my ends.
Right.
I will be here.
Right. Bull beer,
So
okay.
So me and him cousin, that I one girl.
Mm-hmm.
We talk and so one day one dance I keep up there and we go at the dance and
Up a Bower or up a Bull beer. Okay. Uh-huh.
So me and him did the dance and the cousin come on because she know me, so we did the reason and so.
Yeah.
You never know same cousin still,
Yeah.
So she started talking to him and me here, she said one of the time, say, say that day I see your wife. So him kind of, shun the argument. So I pick it up, so I don't say nothing neither. I'm going like me not hear. So everything good that night then.
Right.
And me and him still did a juggle till one Saturday him say me come check him up in workplace. That him
Hold on. At that point where you did here, you and him did already in, like,
Yes.
Right, okay, cool, yeah.
Mm-hmm. So Saturday night him say come check him up in workplace, he might give me a thing.
Yeah.
So I go there now, I'm going to check him, so call him on the phone. That something the phone, the company, not the company phone, the business place phone.
Yeah.
And tell him, say, me reach. I call him from a call box back in the days.
Right.
And tell him, say, me reach.
Yeah.
That one New Kingston. So I go across then one. Me and him come out of the building and him have a radio, the security radio. And me and him stand up in one car park on the back there and talk and we talk and so when I time it's like the radio I get every name on. So him put it in him pocket.
Yeah.
Some day they attack and we laugh and chat, And then I see the man start jump and run and when I see Pierce Walker come out of him pocket, and him jump and him stamp and him run. So me I said to him, say, what happened to you? What to my youth? So when him stop and I see him shake so. Where think Mr. drop out of him pocket, Raga? He married ring drop out of him pocket.
Oh, but the radio did
catch a fire.
The radio catch a fire and thing, and then when he might jump and thing and whatever, boom. And I saw when he might take out the radio cause it catch a fire, the married ring go come out too.
Yeah.
That is when a Jamaican say, you see how God work. You see how God work. So when the married ring drop out now, you see the ring, what you say? What you do?
He might try to step on it, but we see it already.
He might try to step on the ring.
Yeah. He might try to step on it, but we see it already. So we say them, you think we never hear the other day one time we did the dance and the girl asks you, tell us she see your wife?
Yeah.
You think we never hear?
Yeah.
He not say nothing.
Scene. So what did happen after that?
Right, if him could have bored the earth and go in, he would have go in.
John, no.
I hide the ring for me, put it in pocket, and the radio now ignite and catch him pocket of fire and burn up the wall and pants side. They say, end up have to pay for the people them radio.
You see somebody post Love Key and I said, look at God. Look at look at God, look how God see God on time, man, and reveal it to you. You never while him. You just easy and thing and make it. Sometimes I say you have to juggle sometime, you know. You see all certain little thing and whatever. Don't even ask them nothing and thing and whatever. I know while them, man. It will be revealed. It will be revealed, that thing. But so after that, you and him, they still talk though.
Yes, man.
Yeah.
A whole story with me and you. The whole
Okay,
story.
wanna
You
still
can't
juggle
start
after that. All right, fine wine. Big up yourself, you know. See?
Yeah, man, every time.
Yeah, man. Protection, balance. Cool. Hello.
All right.
Yeah.
What going on?
There, you know, yeah, say.
I got a door because it has the ingredients them for the next time.
The what?
The ingredients for tea when you're gonna give the people them sit down inside.
Oh, the ingredients for the tea where you gonna give me them sit down inside. All right, yeah, we don't want the ingredients them here for the tea. All right, send on there now. Yeah.
So I have one uncle who just come from Jamaica. I live in Canada.
Yeah.
Just come 2 days ago.
2 days ago, him drop in that place, yeah.
2 days ago, he come. Exactly. And him visit before, but him never moved here permanently yet.
Mm-hmm.
So, me depend one committee plan was somewhere here in Jamaica every year.
What the committee in Jamaica what?
Jamaica Fest.
Jamaica Fest, okay.
Yeah. So one girl was on the committee, young girl, 6, maybe the oldest should have been 28.
Mm-hmm.
Me see him come home with her one night, yeah. And me say, okay, me go just stay out of this place, me not go to as a married man, and me know that she only kind of deal with him for the money.
For the money.
That would that be the only thing that makes sense.
The only thing that makes sense. About how old is your uncle?
Yes. Old man, like 67.
He must 67. And him bring home the girl who about 28 from the committee.
That would have been like the oldest should have been.
Yeah.
Should have around the 26 mark.
26,
28.
26, 28. Yeah, all right, yeah.
So me hear them coming at us, me see them before them reach. Me say, all right, me just go hide in my room. Me not go disturb them.
Yeah.
But couple hours pass, and then the place get kind of quiet.
Mm-hmm.
And then me hear little bit of moaning and groaning at one. They say, all right.
Yeah.
But it's not normal because on she do the moaning and the groaning and him.
Oh, our uncle do the moaning and the groaning.
Uncle India moan and a groan. I mean, so what go on now, almighty?
Yeah.
Something say, all right, just go around the corner and peep a little bit. You're not feeling a pervert, but go peep a little bit.
Yeah.
Please go peep.
Yeah, just to make sure I'm all right, you know?
When we reach around the corner, you say, make sure say them all right. They look like say them did well, all right.
Hey, oh, I want.
You see, uncle, they on like knees, like 4 knees. Okay, so picture one couch.
One couch?
He kneel down like couch, and then feet him and them, I touch the couch back. So feet him back, turn towards the TV, let's say that.
Oh, so uncle kneel down in at the couch and him and them up on the couch back, so him back turn to the TV.
And him back turn to the girl. Yes, the girl have her tongue to Uncle Batam.
Not giving no details. No, yeah, not really.
Anyway, she that get uncle services where she have no business to give service. But me say wait, some rang some man. At this, you have to do forget money from them old people. I mean, not gonna say nothing. But what go on now is them stay out there for about 1 more hour. Just I do the same thing. I mean, hear the man in the whole time. And no, go on a little bit softer now. And I tell her what you do. And she like boo. I do everything we're supposed to do. So the next morning, him walk past me. And I start laugh. Him don't know what me laugh about, but him start get looking at paranoid because him I say, okay, what if he see what we weed last night. Here now I try come up with experience. You know, this young lady is a very troubled little girl. It's nice to sit and pray with her and stuff. Oh, me forget to tell us that uncle one pastor in Jamaica.
Uncle a pastor in Jamaica.
Uncle is a pastor in Jamaica.
Uncle come over Canada, I get young gal a toss him salad and them sitting there.
A toss him salad. So me see her this morning now and she come and run up to me. Hey, about you know people do kiss on the cheek.
Yeah.
So we take a couple step back. Here, you see we don't. Me say if me sooner.
Oh.
Yeah. So now we have meet with her tomorrow and we go sit down cross with her and either pop up or say something.
Nah, well, load them man, load the beat. Me I say, no. So you say uncle turn back way in her couch and thing and she did it. Jesus.
But I'm push out and everything. Push out and everything. Man.
People that do them thing out there and thing. All right, now say a word here. Uncle drop in Uncle drop in a place and get busy right away. And then they do so down. Watch out on people about 10 and 11 p.m. All right then. Yes, it said, let me just bring in one somebody else. Hey, you think it's easy? Let me see what I go on. Hello. Good night. Hello.
What going on? A long time.
Yeah, man, I'm there, man. What going on with you?
I'm there.
Seeing?
Glad to see you back.
Yeah, man. Seeing?
So.
Yeah.
Mother called me, right?
Who?
Christian, mother.
Yeah.
She called me Christian and everything.
Yeah.
In our Bible, in our church.
Yeah.
You always hear her talk about Ragashanti. But me get Felicity the other night. The woman will call with the uptown mix-up. Lord Jesus Christ. When you all listen to them over there. Remember the woman will call her to about the piece?
Yeah, a long time mix-up. The uptown mix-up. Yeah. Powder dish mix-up.
Yes.
Yeah.
So I'm like, why are you... You're not man. You have some good topic. When I say about mommy a Bible study, you're supposed to listen to. When you do for yourself.
See, she find it, man. But people are post that one day all about too, you know. So that one day there.
Yes, this is how somebody send her from our coworker, them send her a clip.
Yeah.
But a Bible study, you're supposed to listen to. That's Raga.
Yeah, all of you mix up that, man. Powder dish mix up, uptown mix up, you know.
But anyway.
Yeah.
Go and make you listen.
All right, then. Bless up yourself, you know. All right, cool. That all of you mix up, the powder dish mix up, you know. Sample mix up. Hello?
Good night, Raga.
Good night to you. Where are you going?
One quick confession for you about the jacket mix-up.
Yes, sir.
Me have one little cousin.
Yeah.
She have one daughter for a man.
Yeah.
So anyway, the man gone with a foreign.
Yeah.
And the man filed for the little girl. Raga, papers and everything come through. When the DNA run, the man realize, say, and I'm my father, so the man call her. So the man tell her, say, boy, you know, say, pitney enough for me. She said to the man, say, if I know fear pitney, I know for me need a wrong pitney, then give me a Carnival Regional Hospital.
My God, if not taking accountability was a person, and she that.
Yeah, and that she tell him.
And that she tell him, man, if I know your picnic, then I know feel me picnic either.
I know fear need a wrong picnic, get up a Carnival Regional Hospital.
Yeah, at the hospital make a mistake and give me wrong picnic. Them are wicked down a Carnival Regional Hospital. They all wicked them and things like that. Ja, no, that she don't know what going on, you know.
She don't know your struggle, she don't know, so I know for the man picnic.
Yeah, and fling it on the man, don't. Ah, Jesus.
Yeah, but the man did love the little girl, you know. And still kind of help her out with them.
See it there. No say a word, man. All right, respect for that one.
Brother, me
There.
have to call her back tomorrow because my daughter, she not stop midnight.
Yeah,
Yes,
and that
all
are
right.
your daughter. They never make no mistake with that one there. Okay, all right.
Yeah,
Cool.
my daughter this.
All right,
Yes.
cool.
All right, Raga.
Blessing. God. Okay. Yeah. Munji say, Raga, stay a little longer, please. That sound good, eh? Yeah, that sound good, yo. Man love you, and yeah, stay a little longer. Stay a little longer. Yeah, I make trouble. I make trouble, you know. And I only make trouble with people who know my type of mischief, you know. Sexy Neefy, 2 minutes more. Oh, God. Sexy Neefy are wicked. He said, the 2 minutes more we do it. Yeah, sometimes, you know, man, them have to listen, you know, man, them just 2 minutes more. And that's all I want, 2 minutes more. And you know what that means, no? Just 2 minutes. Right there. 2 minutes more. Stay right there. And you know what that means. And you have to just hold it like a G. Fair. Okay, follow me. Hello? Me say at first, you know. At first. Me say, in person, God, at first, me think we been going. No, me know I catch you no too. When you can't go around, me know I catch you no too. Me know I catch you no because me tell you say one day, you know. A while ago, me think we been going, you know. John, you know, because when we come in here, I said, no, is this it? And then me hear the picnic voice come on, and then I'm like, oh, you know. Me say, he catch you no too, don't. Talking God you, don't catch you no too. So just say yes if he catch you no too. And if he never catch you no, say no. If he catch you no, say yes. See it there? All right then, cool. No, you catch me a while ago, man. Come here. Me just say, I said, no, sir. And me, I pick the voice, me, I said, okay, no. Okay, all right. Yo, well, in case, you know, you're prudish and you're on the super self-righteous side, you would have ascertained by
Yes,
now.
Raga.
One
Good
second.
night, Raga.
Yeah, you would have ascertained by now that I am very out of order.
How you doing, Raga?
In a nice way. Yes, sir. What's up?
We're there upon it, you know. We're
Yeah.
upon the works, you know.
Yeah, what y'all say?
Yeah, man, me have a little mix up forgive you still, you know.
I could hear it now.
Yeah, man. One upon a time, I say, I go to school, see? In Canada still.
Yeah.
You understand?
Yeah.
I'm a book. 3 girl. And the 3 girl take a turn upon me. See? The 3 girl from the same country.
The 3 girl?
Yeah, from the same country.
And you say them take a what?
They take a turn upon me. Like me now, like me upon thing now.
Them like you, okay.
Yeah, because I go to school, I'm fresh and clean, you know?
Yeah.
Smell up nice and everything.
Look good and clean.
Hot
and
boy
all
at school,
these
you know?
things. Yeah.
You see?
Yeah.
Anyway, me know one of the girl from back in the days, pan a block, when me used to go and cut me hair.
Mm-hmm.
See?
Yeah.
And the girl tackle me, say like, oh, she know me and where. I say, yeah, me know you from long time, say, but me never talked to you before. Because she go to the same school.
Yeah.
See?
Yeah.
All right, so then she asked me for my number. I give she my number.
Proper.
Then after the other 2, see me give she my number now. About 4 days down the road, the other 2 asked me for my number.
Yeah.
See?
Yeah.
All right. But the one me know, me never tackle with that one there because you have a tall one.
Yeah.
Seeing, and me take on the tall one.
And the tall one you did
So,
like and one, right? And
yeah,
the one
man.
where
Me
you
like,
see your
me like
feature.
all three of them still, you know, but at the tall one, me favor still.
Yeah.
Seeing? And then me ask her who she live with. And she say, oh, she daughter, but she have a 17-year-old daughter. But the daughter, I go to high school. See? So, me and she leave now after school. In the evening, and we go up to a park.
The school where you go is a school for adults.
Yeah, it's an adult school, yeah.
Oh. And so the one where you say you talk to, she have a 17-year-old daughter.
Yes, but the 17-year-old daughter go high school.
Go high school. Okay, go on.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Anyway, so me and she go take a walk and we go up in the park.
Yeah.
And we in the park, sit down and chill. I watch some soccer thing. You know, over here they call different football, soccer, but back home, when man play football and thing, we call it.
Soccer, you say, right? Soccer.
Yeah, soccer, football, man.
Okay, no, through the way you pronounce soccer, it coming like it's a soccer thing.
No, because they call soccer, football over here, different sports. They call them different games, soccer thing.
Yeah, soccer thing, okay.
Anyway, okay, let me use football. Let me say football.
No, you can't, no, you can't say soccer thing. No, you can't say soccer thing. No, say, you're going to soccer thing. Okay, soccer thing, yeah.
So we're going to watch the soccer thing. Then after me, because me a pre one thing, you know. One thing me a pre still, you know.
Yeah.
I forget between the crease.
Yeah, you just want to look good. Yeah.
After in the park, you know, nothing go on, so I say, all right. Me come walk you home and because we not live too far from each other still, you know. But me and my girl in my yard, you know.
Oh.
So me and my girl in my yard, so me can't bring she in my yard.
Right.
So me have to look for every corner by she.
Okay, all right.
Right?
Yeah.
So one day now, she called me, tell me, I'm on it, I get ready to go to school now.
Uh-huh.
So my girl at home now go to work. So I say, all right, babe, I'm go to school. We don't just up on everything. And she called me.
Yeah.
I say, yo, I'm not going to school today now. You want to come check me? So I say, all right, no problem. I'm going to leave my house, you know.
Uh-huh.
I'm going to the girl building, you know.
Uh-huh.
The girl live on the 21 floor on the building, you know. We go and check the girl, you know.
Uh-huh.
Remember the girl tell me she not no man, you know. She live alone, you know.
Right.
She and she daughter.
Mm-hmm.
See?
Mm-hmm.
All right, me go in, me go check the girl. Me is a boy when me go to people's house now, me look for man garments, man things, shoes, clothes, whatever.
Mm-hmm.
When I see nothing. All right, we did this, sit down in our couch, we start to vibe, we start to talk.
Mm-hmm.
Then she like, oh, she go in the room. She say, come in the room. So we go in the room, sit down on the big bed. But then I'm short pants, then we did start to make out and right. Then the whole action start.
Mm-hmm.
Right, guys, see when me done the action, me lay down on the girl bed, you know. Now my boxer shorts, you know.
Mm-hmm.
After me done nice up the girl and thing, you know.
What you mean? Your service
are
a give to our good,
yeah,
right?
man.
Okay, good.
Yeah, man. So me did it now, lay down now, I go look for round 2.
Mm-hmm.
Me a bam, on the door.
Mm-hmm.
So me say, who that? So she say, she not know who. Because she daughter not come home.
Mm-hmm.
So me lay down on the bed in my boxer shorts still. Because me not obligate to nobody, me not own nobody, nobody not gonna look for me. And I'm for me place. Right, see what me did now? Me see one chopping man come in. He man have key for the place, you know.
He man have key for the place.
Man have blood clot key for the place.
Yeah.
The man come in. And the man come straight to the bedroom. And peep in the head. And I say, who that? He gotta say, she ex-man. Me say, ex-man? So I still lay down on the bed. But really and truly, me could have got me dead still, you know.
Yes.
So I lay down on the bed still.
Hold on. You go a woman yard for the first time. You sort her out and thing. And then you lay down on bed after you sort her. Somebody beat down your door. And you say, who that or whatever, Ray. Eventually, she tell you, say, it looked like her. She said she don't know. And then she said her ex-man. And then
Yeah,
when she...
that when the man come in now. That when the man come in and
no.
push head in
No,
the
okay,
bedroom.
well, but from she beat down the door first. You never
Yeah, like
get
he
up.
come and he knock on the door.
Yeah, but you did still lay down.
Me still lay down on the bed, yeah.
All right then. And then no, after him coming in and she say her ex, you see the
Right.
man use him own
No,
a key
he come in first. He come in
Yeah.
and he come straight to the bedroom, pushing head.
Yeah.
Like he open the bedroom door and pushing head, and he see me and she inside of there, on the bed.
And you see a
And then
man
me
come in
ask,
and push you in, and after a man push you, you say you still lay down in her bed?
me still lay down in the raga, on the bed, you know.
All right, yeah, and then what?
So when me ask, I would have shot him as she ex-man. So that when me start to get up here now. Because me try hard on my pants now. And the man, when the man there look, and the man, when the man say, we me choppy, we me machete, we me choppy. So when me hear that now, me start to get frightened, because the man go kill me, because me in the man quarters, me in the man place.
Yeah.
See?
Yeah.
But the girl so strong now, the girl go out and the body man and slam the man in the couch. You understand?
Yeah.
So when he slam the man in the couch now, when me have me t-shirt and my school bag and my 2 shoes in me and I run out. And me run for his staircase. And go down like about 4 floors down on the staircase and me walk on another end and go down. So me have time to put on my clothes in the staircase now. And when me I go down the stairs now, me hear like foot a come down up and out of stairs I come down in the staircase.
Right.
So me start at 21 floor me depend now.
Right.
So me start to run.
Yeah.
Me start to run, and if you know how them buildings stay in Canada and in the staircase, they have a rail. And like all the stairs now is like like corners rail. Right? And me hold on, every time me hold on the rail now, me just a swing wrong every corner.
Right.
So at one point now, me end up and twist my foot.
You end up and what? Twist your foot?
Twist my foot.
Yeah.
My ankle.
Yeah.
So when me twist my ankle now, I call her and tell her, me break my foot. But me not break my foot, what me do now, me band up my foot. And me have 2 old clutch. You know clutch where you walk with when you broke your foot, right?
No, hold on. You twist your foot when you run go down, right?
Yeah, me ankle, yeah.
So how we reach when you call her now and say you break your foot? What? So hold on, so you run down and go to your yard?
Right, and me go to my yard.
But so when you twist your foot before you go to your yard?
Right. Yeah, me twist my foot, me twist my ankle. And when me reach home now, me call her and me tell her me have to go to the doctor because me break my foot. And when me do now, me band up my foot. Me have one of them old, you know them foot casts we could just take off and put on.
Yeah.
Right. One of my uncle me have one of that and me get it. I mean keep it at my house.
Yeah.
So me put on that upon my foot now and me band it up. Like me really break my foot. And me have 2 clutch. You know clutch when you break your foot, you walk with.
Crutch.
Yes, crutch. So me have that I walk with now. Because me pretend to she now, let me break my foot. So me tell she now, me have to go do surgery and they have to pay me back my money for my surgery. So she agree now to pay me back. And she talk to the man. At the time the man have no papers at Canada.
Okay.
Right? And the man was a Jamaican man.
Okay, where are you from? Where, Grenada or where? Where are you
from?
No,
me from Trinidad.
You're from Trinidad. Okay, all right, yeah.
Yeah. So, me tell she now they have to pay me back.
So
for the surgery
and how it end up? She pay you? Them pay you?
Yeah, she and the man end up and pay me $1,700.
And why them pay you? Because what you tell them say you go do?
Me tell them me have an uncle a police and I go say me uncle to them. Which is true, me have an uncle was a police.
Okay.
Was a big man in the police force.
And them give $1,700.
Right.
Okay.
And you see every time the girl call me and tell me for the money, me still go over there and give the girl a lace, for my broke foot,
Oh, you still go over there and brush her up?
Me still go collect the money and give her a lace in same way.
And give her a lace in same way.
Man.
You live big life for Canada, man. Big up yourself, man. See,
yeah, man. So that me say me have to get,
All right, man. Bless up yourself. Yeah, man. Cool.
All right, then. That's how
All right. Interesting story there. Interesting story there. Hello? Yeah.
Good night. Me answer me.
Yeah, good night.
Me have to try this one. Guys, me the other day, me read a story and I find out say I'm anyhow, back in the days when me did younger,
Yeah.
mother and my father lock up in a room.
Mm-hmm.
Always wonder what they lock up in a room I do. Always interested to know what them a do.
Yeah, it's interesting if you know when your mother and your father lock up in a room, I do.
Yes.
Okay.
They always a peep through keyhole or something.
Yeah.
So one day they lock up in a room and I forgot the lucky door.
Yeah.
My room in front of them.
Yeah.
And I just hurry up and go a quick one up, boom, turn the angle and bust the door. When I bust the door, rather, my father, I see, don't panic me.
Your father, yes, he don't panic me?
Yes. And mother, they panic bed. Well, brother, part. Raga, they're frightened, jump up and grab me and fling out the room.
Well, you bust the door and your mother well spread out and your father don't panic knee and your father get a jojo facial, right? The father a swipe your mother.
Yeah, I mean, I tell you,
How old were you then?
Raga didn't tell me I'm about 14, 15.
14, 15. So when you bust out now, where you say your father jump up now, don't?
Raga, I never know about swiping until I got Florida when I about 22, 23.
At them time that you know about swiping.
Yeah, I did have an ex-fiancé introduced me.
You did have a what?
An ex-fiancé.
An ex-fiancé? What boss your pan it? What boss your pan it?
Yeah, me that. You know? I'm Antiguan and him love them something there.
He's Antiguan and him love the Antiguan them love them something they don't.
Yeah, man.
Okay, yeah. So when your father fly up now and your mother jump up too, man, don't?
The mother jump up, but the way they stop, then grab me from the room.
Then grab you out of the room?
Fling me out through the door.
Then fling you.
And lock the door and go down the thing.
Hold on. When you say the way them fried, then you jump up quick and grab you and fling you through the door and lock the door though.
Right, I'm this bad. Every minute I try to peep, try to bust in on them. So they always just scold me about it and I tell me, say, me too bad, me must knock them up.
No, but you did too damn fast. But you can't need people and your parents them fast. You did out harder.
Me usually hear moaning and groaning and things. So even when I move and go a different house, years, about 2-3 years after, me always a bus in a day room. I got me did while I'm determined say me have to see them, me have to see with them moaning and groaning and call my mother ever moan and groan.
No, make your mother moan and groan and die treatment, man. That is not for you to see as a child. You're out harder.
Me only hear and make it easy to know why man ever moan.
All right. We kind of struggle and listen because you call your voice kind of echoey and thing, but we hear what we need for hear. Bless up yourself here.
That's so cool.
Yeah, man, cool. Oh, what a bad picnic, man. I'm busting for our mother and father when them are going with the something of them. And yeah, she say a long time she want people and them when them are do it. Hello? You know, so I want a bunch of people there and thing, but let me see whether the click is that's right, you know.
Raga.
Yeah.
I cost me a car come to cost you out, you know.
Why?
Because uno consistently inconsistent. Uno really in woman certain way. When we get hooked, uno cut off on you to go one time.
Explain.
901 Central Time.
Explain. What are?
901 Central Time now. Me dey on the same time with Jamaica.
Right.
You are an hour ahead of us.
Yeah.
Usually at that time I'm left out to go work. Take me 45 minutes to travel from me yard go work.
Yeah.
And you sure keep me till me reach at work.
Yeah.
Me not come out of the house yet. Where you go, Raga?
Weird. What kind of bad up this?
Where you dey go, Raga?
I got work to do.
We used to depend this till 11 o'clock. What they go on, Raga?
No, but that is why you see what I was saying in a Jamaica, you know. Don't broke them
Uno
back.
man,
No.
uno consistently inconsistent.
Where you say the man them do them something then them go.
Yes.
When you know whatever them go to them way and pull you know in and thing
Go
and
to
whatever.
them way
Don't.
because what?
Yeah.
Raga, look here, man. What me I go listen to for night, you know?
Eh?
What me I go listen to for my journey?
No, but when I say, don't you know that the show is supposed to be 6 to 9, right? And then no, me go an extra hour.
Rather from me come on over here, the show go up till 11 o'clock. For your time.
No, but what?
10:30 night
Yeah,
time.
but what I'm saying, it wasn't supposed to go till 11 o'clock.
But you set the precedent, so you have to keep it up.
No, me not have to keep it up. Me not have to keep it up. Why? If me gonna apply with something or whatever, why me have to go and apply?
You should have never set the precedent then because people go there used to that and think that's the standard.
No, but you see, you're damn right. Am my fault though?
I see your fault, of course. I'm black man fault. You me a blame.
I love it. All right. But listen now, me have to just hold an order here right you know and thing, you know?
Furthermore, you owe you on Monday.
What?
You owe us on Monday.
Wait, how old you? Wait, how old you been?
Because you didn't be here last week, Monday.
All right then. So when me did go on the Friday then, how that go?
Me don't know about the Friday then.
But I'm telling you.
And that is in the past. Jesus forgive we sin.
No. No, me never do. Me give that since you not talk about that. We give that. Then look at all them night when me go till all after 11 and one night took up
yes,
night me go
Raga,
all
that's
12.
what I'm talking about. You need to continue.
All right, here what you gotta make happen now. Me go do 9 o'clock on the dot then, so that we not have this problem.
Then make sure say you come on 6 o'clock on the dot.
Okay. But like so today now, when me come 6:05 exactly, cause I'm look on the time and see after 10 now. So me for cut out that too. So even if me come 6:05, me must done 9:05. And me go say a cleggy for I
can't take it for.
No, I'm gonna put it on you. When anybody says stay after 9, I'm gonna say no, you never hear Cleggy say don't stay after time because it's gonna spoil and I'm not gonna expect it. So I have to finish at 9. See, look there now. You see, I alluded at the funniest when I'm do. No, Raga, no.
A Jamaican fan of
I'm gonna put it by you every night. I do 9 o'clock. I'm gonna say it's Cleggy say I must do it because any I do it, I have to do it every night. So I'm gonna stop at 9 o'clock now. I'm gonna put it by you.
Me we bear that the burden there, but you start off from where you need to continue that the way they will.
No, you can't tell me. You're talking to a Jamaican man. You can't tell me what I'm to do. We're not joining that something.
I tell me no. Jamaican man and me can bad you.
No, you can't tell me and bad me up and go on all where you want. But you know, say it's my choice whether or not me gonna make you successfully bad me up. That not gonna work. Yeah. And if you go on this and that, you know, say you have to go cross my knee and a spanking for you too, don't it?
Me like the change round with you know.
So, well, yeah, me have to spank you. Me like, Raga, you think you punish me? Me like it. Go and do it.
Alexia, set alarm.
What, Alexa, what?
Set the alarm.
Yeah, what? Alexa, what did Cleggy do last night?
Work.
No, one time I do that, you know. I talk to somebody and them Alexa could hear me. And then the Alexa start talking about, yes, you visited the appointment with so and call name, you know, it was funny as hell. And she's like, Jesus Christ, because she did have the appointment. She set the appointment through Alexa.
As for me, Alexia informer.
Yeah, I think the Alexa easy.
My Alexia informer, man.
Yeah. All right, Cleggs, let's say a word here. All right,
All right,
Boo.
Raga.
Yeah, man.
Later.
Blessings, man. Cool. Hello?
Raga,
Wagwan.
good night, Raga.
Good night to you too, Wagwan.
Good night.
Good night.
Raga, me ignorant here right now. I want to fight you.
What you want to fight me for? What me do you? What me do
Where
you?
you run, Raga? You have something for ice?
No, but me even me have some pies, me not gonna tell you that. If me did have you on ice, you don't want me tell anybody. No, you don't
Raga, me
say.
agree with the lady who just come off, you know.
No,
I agree with her, you know.
so well, I better no one bad me up tonight. The whole I don't want to drape me up and bad me up, though. You see what happened with she?
Me make Miss Cherry Ball in her grave, you know.
No, you're not gonna do that. You're not gonna do that because she will more box you and give you lockjaw than figure make go ball and she don't make it thing. You understand? Because she still love her wash belly, you know. You see what happened to she?
Raga, you know, so we love and we adore you. You have to treat you nice, because we treat you nice.
What are you talking about? I go extra time. I go way over 9 o'clock. It's after 10. Right?
Yeah, me understand that, but Raga, you can't stick to a little extra hour, half an hour, and make you go on.
No, but me go extra already. What it is extra? What? Me go extra already. I got things to do. Me have work to go do. Remember, my son is spending him look at summertime
Raga,
with
yeah,
me.
we're going to vote about it.
No, we're not no vote now. Go on. Yeah, wicked. No vote now. Go on. 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 That's a word, man. See?
Raga,
Yeah.
Raga, you know every vote. You know every vote you will win.
Yeah, we're not going to win. That's why I'm not run that vote. Yeah, count on that win by far. And I hear 98% say, boom, bam, 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 you have to stay a little longer and things. So I'm not run that vote. Yeah, because I would lose like, whoa, who would win? All right.
What must?
Now say a word, man. Bless up yourself here.
All right, big up yourself, my uncle. All right.
All right, Bobo, cool. What you? All right, you see, because she did call earlier, this is the last call. I let me see if her phone now work now. If this is the definite, and the only reason I bring her in is because she called earlier and she had difficulty with her phone. Good night.
Good night. Yeah. You hear me better, Raga?
Way better right now. Way better. Yeah.
So as I was saying before,
Yeah.
I used to talk to this guy when I was younger. I was about 18, in my late 20s.
Yeah.
So he loves anime, the Japanese cartoon.
Yeah.
So one day out of the blue, just say, me my 1 year old, so me say me not understand.
Wait, the one day out of the blue, him say him a 1 year old and you are 2?
Me a 2. Yeah, me a 1 and him a 2.
Yeah.
But me never understand. Me a say, I'm born February 29th. They say, them there's something there.
Yeah. Your phone still, it's not as bad, but your phone still do the something. Go on, mm-hmm.
So anyway, you know, like when somebody do something in your hand and you pull out your hand,
Yeah.
the man just feeling chakra.
If you can feel in chakra.
In chakra.
In chakra,
Like
okay.
when you watch Naruto, the man say my power.
Say my what?
Power.
Power?
Yes.
Ooh. What that mean? What that mean, though?
You know when you watch
Me know, but why you think it my power?
Me not in I think too much like cartoon, but the man have his hand and the same can feel his chakra. Then out of the blues, me see the man go so. I said, chakra that. Anyway, we live, we shall we live. We live over
You
the
know, say
water.
your phone still not do the same thing. Somebody tell me yesterday, say, it have to do with phone keys and this and that. So, something to do with your phone, especially, yeah?
You hear me better now?
No, you go in and out CMS, or something to do with your phone. Because other people call in and we hear them straight, or something specifically to do with your phone. Like, you know, where the sound a come out and thing it a loop back in and a cause a feedback, you know. So it cancel your voice and things. So we not really hear you good, you know.
I don't know.
I rather ex from when you did young, him chakra still a cause problem and thing, you know, probably all of that too.
I don't behave yourself now. Behave.
All right.
Anyway, you hear me better now?
No, what I'm saying, once you start talking, you just cut off, so we not really hear what you're saying, you know? So honestly, you know?
All right. Monday me talk to you from my laptop.
All right then, cool, yeah?
Yeah.
All right, Gary. How your name, brother? Gary.
You chat too much.
What that?
How your name?
What him name?
Gary.
Gary the youth did name?
Yes, yeah.
So Gary, anime Gary, though.
Yeah, Gary.
Yeah, I should tell you about him, though.
Gary.
Gary with the chakra. All right, cool. Yeah. You see, wanna full up the box, you know, and whatever. So, people, I am here Mondays to Thursdays. Sometime around 6 o'clock, sometime a little later, sometime a little earlier, to 9. But sometime I pass 9. But Cleggy, I'm gonna make me stop at 9 now, you know, cause I say I broke no bad and thing, cause now I go till all 11 and all them thing there, whatever I wanna get for used to it. I want that to be the case all the time. Seeing behave on yourself. All right. Sugar boo, large up yourself, man. Respect and honor. All right, people. Bless upon yourself. Do remember a party. September 28th, Saturday, September 28th, Amazura concert. All at Amazura in Queens. Everybody know Amazura in Queens. And you can just Google it and think if you're not from New York. All right. Saturday, November 20th. And thing. It's a big TamFam affair. Nice party and thing. My birthday party, you know. Ragabash. So want to know forward. Queen Nash, big up yourself, you know, love and blessings, all right? Everything is everything. Them some of them pretty, our Queen Nash get them something from them. What nice, see? And thing, big up all of the subscribers, them large up on yourself, all of the subscribers, them over here. And think all 26 subscribers, big up on yourself, everything is everything, okay? Sub Live is coming soon. It's probably happening over the weekend too. You know, for real. I was planning on doing that over the weekend. Ellie, big up yourself, my London crew. Big up on yourself, my England crew. Big up on yourself. It's late now, 3:15 in the morning, the phone and things, seeing. Blessings and respect. All right? Yeah, them take care. I'll be back live on Monday. Right? Like I said, we do this Mondays to Thursdays. In the future, we may increase some of the time and thing, but we'll see about that. But for right now, it is Mondays to Thursdays. Y'all be good. Take care of you and yours. Be safe. Yeah? Right? And remember, you cannot really love another until you first truly love yourself and take care of yourself, all right? Take care of you, build you, improve you, grow you, and enjoy you. All right? Well, you pass stress out there in the world, but make sure you enjoy it as much as you can, because there is a lot to enjoy out there indeed. You know my motto when I live by: laugh, learn, and grow. All right? Laugh, learn, and grow. Big up on yourself. Take care, people. And the shows, again, all the live shows will be over YouTube at TamFam TV. All right? Blessings. Cool. Yeah. Good night, TamFam. Good night, TamFam. Big up on yourself.